it says I'm not. Let me see. Let me see. We'll see what happens. It says I'm live, but on here it doesn't show. It's kind of strange. Still trying to figure out these settings. What? It's pretty fast. Okay, well, it says I'm live. Let's see. Testing out a live stream right now for the stock market stuff. You know, we're gonna watch over everything. This is my first time live streaming, so trying to figure this stuff out. I see one person is here. Not sure who it is. Say something in the comment section if you would like, in the chat. Wow, this is the first time I've live streamed. This is actually kind of difficult. Not gonna lie. Let me see. Let me see. Okay, so we're good here. Maybe you don't need this. Maybe you just don't need it. Okay. I'll let it slide. And what's it called? It's called. But what's going on, people? Anybody in here? Looks like there's 3 people in here now. Yeah, this is my first time live streaming. I'm actually just, you know, live streaming the stock market, like most of these personal finance YouTubers are doing now. If you guys don't know who I am, I'm DollarMike. Make personal finance videos on YouTube. I have a position on AMC as well as, well, actually just AMC and what else I have? I can go with my whole portfolio. I'll show you guys. As well as Express. I have a call on Express, 2 calls on AMC, and 1 on Nokia. And on Webull, I just have some shares in AMC, and it's looking pretty solid so far. We're still in pre-market. If you guys are in here, just say what's up in the chat. Like I said before, it's my first time live streaming, so let me know, you know, how everything's going. I'm not even sure if you guys can hear me. Like, I think everything's cool. Like, I literally just set this stuff up, so let me know down in the chat. But everything seems okay. So once this market opens, we'll get some updates on the calls. Yeah, once this market opens, we'll get some updates on the calls and stuff like that. And then my shares, obviously we go over to Webull. My share prices and stuff like that, it'll update every you know, every 10 seconds or whatever. So let's see what we got here. Webull, right now I'm up $186 with AMC. If we go on over to, well, that's just my share. I think I have 105 shares. Let me go back. I believe I have 105 shares. Yeah, 105 shares of AMC on Webull. Robinhood, you guys know how. Well, if you guys don't know, I'm not a big fan of Robinhood after everything they pulled, but you know, the process of transferring everything, and then also, you know, just naturally YouTube and stuff, I have to keep it around for the time being. So hopefully you guys can hear me. Let me know if you can hear me in the chat. Once again, I see 7 people are here, so I'll take it. I'm not sure who it is, but yeah, just let me know down in the chat. I think everything's cool. I'm not sure. I'm looking at the streaming software now. So 10 viewers now. Let me know if you can hear me, because I don't know. I really don't know if you can hear me. We got AMC on Twitter right now. Stock Twits, what, 516 more posts. Check that out. Yep. Oh, you can hear me? Oh, I bet. Perfect. Look at that. Thank you. Thank you. The hedge funds cover their positions of GameStop. I think they have until Wednesday, actually, to fully cover their positions in GameStop and AMC as well. As far as I know, I think it's Wednesday. I'm not entirely sure, so you would have to double check that on your own. But yeah, I think it's Wednesday. So if it's not really any big price movement, I would say by Wednesday market close or Wednesday 4 p.m. Eastern time, I'd be kind of wary, you know. But I mean, overall, it still seems, at least where we at, AMC. Let me go to AMC real quick. Overall, it still seems pretty bullish. AMC does. I mean, we're up 23% in pre-market. I don't know what GameStop's looking like. I check that real quick. I don't have a position on GameStop. So, oof, GameStop is actually down in pre-market. That's surprising. So we'll see what happens with that. They could drop down 8% so far. They could possibly drop down to, I'm thinking maybe like 280s maybe, and a bounce back around then. Who knows? We'll have to just kind of wait and see. What else we got here? All right, my speaker isn't picking up sound. So we got so some people can hear, some people can't. Good morning, good morning. 5 Cent Wealth. Um, I don't know. So it said my RJ is oh, okay. You're saying your right speaker isn't picking up sound. Okay, I got you. I got you. I got you. I got you. Like I said before, this is my first time live streaming on my YouTube channel. I thought it would pop up here, but I guess not. I don't know what's up with this screen. We'll mess around with it. Anything else on the AMC Twitter? Let's see what's popping off. Yeah, 2 cents. Pre-market breakout AMC. Perfect. Perfect. I'm glad you guys can hear me. How's everybody doing this morning? I know where I'm at right now. I'm actually in Maryland. It's kind of a mini blizzard, snowstorm kind of say, you know? So, yeah. The sound is low? You think the sound is low? All right, give me a second. I can actually turn that up for you. Let me see. Let me turn that up for you. The sound is low. How about now? Let me know how that sounds. Worse, can you view your own stream to test it? I can, yeah, I'm viewing my own stream right now on my phone. Let me turn it up. I can turn it up on my phone to see how it sounds, but I don't want to, like, you know, ruin you guys. I can, yeah, I'm viewing my own stream right now. Cool, yeah. It sounds good. Sounds good. I turned it up a little bit, so let me know how that sounds. Yeah, I know it's not snowing anymore. I don't know what's going on. I think it's supposed to be snowing. Like I said before, I live in Maryland. I think it's supposed to be snowing. I thought it was supposed to snow overnight, but it looks like it's supposed to start back up maybe midday today. So we'll see what's going on with that. Yeah, I'm on Robinhood right now. What else we got here? Where are you buying AMC from? I have 2 calls on AMC right now on Robinhood. So if we go to my account, I have 2 calls. If one is $40 call, I just got it when it was low, and then another one is a $9 call. And I also have AMC. Those are just calls. So those are just options. And then the shares are on my Webull account, which is right here. So once market, I think right now, let me go to my account. Once market opens, or let me see. So right now I'm up $176 on my AMC shares. I have 105 shares of AMC on Webull. Might get some more. We'll see how things play out, but definitely holding. So, you know, we'll see how everything goes, you know. What else we got in here? Is there a good dividend on GameStop right now? I'm not even sure GameStop pays a dividend. You know, GameStop. Well, I mean, we could talk about GameStop, but I mean, to be completely honest, I see that, yeah, it says it's a good dividend yield. I don't know if they're actually paying that dividend yield out right now because of you know, they're not really that great of a company. I mean, obviously this whole spike is from Wall Street bets and all that kind of stuff, but overall, I'm not sure if they're paying that dividend out. They might be. I would have to, well, I guess I can check. Is GameStop? Hopefully that the keyboard's not too loud for you guys. It's kind of close to the mic, so it probably is, but let me see. Hopefully, I'm just gonna say GameStop paying the dividend. So let's see what we got here. Oh, let's try NASDAQ. Looks like the last time they paid their dividend was in March. Yeah, March of last year. Oh no, we're in 2021 now. So sometime March of, yeah, we're 2021. We're not in 2020 anymore. March of 2019. So hey, they probably aren't. I'm gonna keep it a buck. They probably aren't paying their dividend. I don't know when, and honestly, they probably won't until after all this is settled, until GameStop gets to like a real solid price. I mean, unless you guys believe it'll just stay at $300 a share. It's perfectly fine too. Not entirely sure. So we'll see what happens there. What else we got in these comments? I have 9 on Robinhood. Cool. Thank you. I appreciate it. Yeah, it's a Jack Russell Terrier, my dog. It's a Jack Russell Terrier. I actually need to let her out. Give me like 10 seconds. Just let her out of my room, not outside. So give me like 10 seconds. You know, I'll be back in like 10 seconds. What about? All right, just like that. I'm back. So let's see. What else we got in these comments? No, keyboard is fine. Worst case scenario, turn the stream, ASMR, stock market. All right, I like that. See, there you go. Ideas just like that. I don't know if you guys have seen my channel or anything like that before, but I make videos all about personal finance here on YouTube. So check those videos out if you haven't seen it. Let me know if you're an actual subscriber or if you're just tuning in for the live stream. It's the first time again live streaming we're watching AMC, GameStop, all the other stocks you guys want me to watch, I can check those out. But I currently have a position in AMC, Express, and Nokia. As far as those, those big ones. Obviously, I have a full portfolio. You can see $23,000. Have a full portfolio of a whole bunch of other different stocks because I do dividend investing videos and just portfolio videos in general. So definitely check it out if you're interested in something like that. So yeah, watching for 2-3 weeks now. I was maximum crunch on Instagram. Okay, maximum crunch on Instagram. I gotta get into my. I appreciate you, watching everything. Thank you very much for the subscription, everything. Definitely. Oh, thank you. I appreciate it. What am I about to say? I got tons of DMs on Instagram actually that I still need to respond to. After I was trending on Twitter for 2 weeks ago, and I got a lot of subscribers from that, and then this whole thing happened, and I got 400 subscribers in a day. So it's been pretty crazy. Normally I wouldn't live stream during the week because I would be at work, but because of the snow, obviously not at work today. So normally this won't really be a thing, but at least, maybe when I get home and stuff like that, and it would be like that. But for the time being, it's whatever. It is what it is. Hold on, let me check. Oh, AMC, here we go. Go back to AMC. What else we got in here? Said still the volume's low? The Thinker? You guys, the volume's still low, or I'm just scrolling through the chat, or it's okay. Let me see. How many shares? I need to share this with the people. How do you even share this? Have you guys seen any other personal finance YouTubers? Going on doing live streams and stuff on AMC, GameStop, all that kind of good jazz. Anything like that? It's okay. I can turn up a little bit more. I don't know if I don't want to blow your ears out, but I can turn it up more. It's not a problem if it's too low. I thought we were pretty high, but I can turn up just a bit. Okay. We're at 20 viewers now. Like I said before, first time live streaming. Did not expect this, but I'm not mad at it. Obviously, had to hop in on the trend. I actually just went out and bought all this live streaming equipment. Literally, where we at? Literally, Friday evening. We're Monday now. So I already had this mic actually right here. This is the Rode podcast mic. I bought this boom arm. I got a light behind me from Amazon that I saw on TikTok. Logitech webcam, Stream Deck. If you guys know what that stuff is, So yeah, but we're just chilling. Might be a quick stream. I don't know how I feel about. I mean, I've seen some people live stream all day, doing this, and I mean, which is fine. But when you're just talking to yourself or talking to the chat, it's kind of hard to keep going all day. But hey, how many if you guys don't mind me asking, I guess what's your position on AMC, GameStop, Nokia, BlackBerry, whatever whatever you're in, what's your position, what you got going on? Just let me know in the chat, of course. So let's see what we got. So yeah, and like I said before, that dividend on GameStop, you're probably not getting that paid out anytime soon. AMC looking good. All right, let me check it. Go back to the price. Yeah, 20%. I'll take it. I mean, market hasn't even opened yet. The market doesn't open for another 15 minutes. 10 or 12 minutes, something like that. So it's looking solid. We'll see what happens. Obviously, Robinhood has limited the buys on a lot of different things. I think 50 different stocks. Let me check that right now. It's 50 different. I made a video about it yesterday as well. Robinhood 50 stocks. Let's see what I'm talking about. So yeah, he limited the buys on 50 different stocks. Does it say in this article? No, not in this one. Maybe in. Why did it not go back? There we go. On the Yahoo article, I believe they say it, or this should work as well. Does this one have it? No. Wow. Okay, that's surprising. Let's try this one, because I thought they would put. Okay, here we go. So, oh, that's perfect. It lines up perfectly. 50 different stocks. Robinhood is limiting. It looks like they can't really support us actually trying to buy all this stuff, even though they should be able to. I don't know what's going on with them, but the whole leadership there, it's a fail, because I mean, this shouldn't happen. Obviously, they blocked us from trading on Thursday pretty much completely with really no warning, and then they opened up on last Friday, limited trading. Kind of rough, but hey, it is what it is. It definitely slowed the whole thing down. I feel like it would be a lot higher in price, both GameStop and AMC, if it wasn't slowed, but it is what it is. What we got in the chat? Actually, the current list is down to 8 stocks. PT restriction list. Oh, perfect. That's fine with me. Look, that's good. So it looks like the current list is down to 8 stocks. Um, perfect. Yeah, I'll take it. You know, instead of PT restricting list, it's more because I moved to the U.S. and they don't spread out country aspect. Okay. So to start investing, we can go in general. What country you moving from? So you moved to the U.S. What, last week it says? So, Esquire. Are you guys off work today too, or it's like a normal thing? I mean, I know a lot of people telework now. I wish I had that luxury, but it is what it is. From US, so checks for probably okay. Cool. That's awesome. Yeah. I have 9 shares of AMC. Not sure if I will get more to looking today to buy. SPHD. Yeah, I got some SPHD. Oh, we can go over this. Hold on, let me pull up my portfolio real quick. You got a couple I got, so that works out. Let me see. So I got SPHD. How many shares? I got 10 shares of that. For just looking at stuff, you know what I mean? Because market still got open. 10 shares, yep. Dividend portfolio. I'm telling you, dividend portfolios of the future. I mean, they've been the future, to be completely honest. I don't know if it's just a current trend or not, but dividend portfolios hit. So I got SPHD right there. What else do you have on here? Yeah, it's definitely a good dividend to buy. It's another what's another dividend stock I have? I really love it. I don't have a lot of it. QYLD. They basically do covered calls, like whatever. It's kind of hard to explain, but they do covered calls. That's how they get paid their money or whatever like that. And they have a solid dividend, and they also pay it out every single month. So good stuff with QYLD. If you want to look into it, do your due diligence and all that kind of good stuff. Let me see what else you got here. You got VTI, Main, Nokia, IDEX, PSEC. I have tons of Robinhood. They give you so many free stocks and stuff like that, and they gave me tons of PSEC. But I noticed that it was a solid dividend stock, so I actually have 100. Where we at? 100. Where are my shares? Like I don't use the Robinhood desktop application, so yeah, I'm looking around. Like yeah, okay, here we go. Shares right here. 113 shares of PSEC. Pay you out a dividend every single month. 11% dividend yield. Good stuff. Doesn't really matter if you don't have a lot of them, but like I said, I have a lot, and that's like roughly what? That's a decent amount of money a year. I have a video talking about my dividend investing portfolio, everything like that, as well as what I use to track it, which is just trackyourdividends.com. If you guys want to check that out. AMC pays dividends. Are they currently paying that dividend? I'm not sure. But if they do, now another thing, I'm not a huge AMC fan. I don't know if you guys have seen my channel. I personally like Cinemark more than AMC, and I have shares in Cinemark like what 12. What's Cinemark's ticker? I think SNK. Yeah. What's SNK? CNK. Okay. Currently up as well. Obviously, got it at $10. I have about 12 shares of Cinemark. They should pay a dividend. They currently don't pay theirs for obvious reasons. They're not really open, to the full public. Everything, health crisis outside. You guys know what's going on outside. But yeah, I like Cinemark more than AMC. Let me know if you like AMC more. That's just my personal preference when it comes to the actual going to the movie theaters. Good stuff like that. So, what else we got here? Nokia looks like a decent 5G play, developing up 9% pre-market. Fantastic, because I needed to be up. Now listen, Nokia, I know it was one of those stocks like you mentioned. It was one of those stocks that kind of made it to like the pump. Not the pump, the whole Wall Street bets hype and everything like that. So currently you can see I'm down in my position. I just have a call on AMC. But I do actually think AMC, like you mentioned, is a really long-term play. It's really good. They've been doing some good stuff. I think they got some 5G contracts, like you mentioned. They just got a contract, I think, with the government for T-Mobile or something like that for 5G. So it's looking good for Nokia. So yeah, if you guys want to look into Nokia, maybe get into buying some shares of that. I know I'm probably gonna pick some Nokia shares up, and yeah, it's definitely a nice investment there. Long term though, for sure. I don't think maybe short term, maybe you might see $7, $8, $9 after all this is over. But yeah, definitely a good solid investment there. What do you think of VXRT? I'm not sure. What is that? VXRT. I have no idea what this is. What's that? Biotech. Okay. Biotech. 15% pre-market. Okay. That's good stuff. I'm not sure what it is. I don't know what they do. If you could let me know, yeah. Influenza, norovirus. Good stuff. Okay. Yeah, I'm not sure. What did they do vaccines and stuff as well? It looks like what's that QI? Yeah, that was QYLD. Yeah, that was it. Am I missing? I don't want to miss any guys' comments because I appreciate you guys all being here. All 21 of you. I appreciate every last one of you. It's my first live stream. Very surprised. Hey, I'll take it though. I have a total of 13 cents from dividends. You know what? Look. The dividends grow over time. I'm gonna show you. Let me go to my dividends real quick. I'll show you guys. How do you, bro? Trust me. How do you actually use this? Let me just. Actually, I'm just gonna sign into my thing. Sign into my dividends. I can show you guys here. Look at this. Perfect. So this isn't 100% updated. This is my dividend portfolio. Let me actually change this to Robinhood because I have it all these different portfolios. Change to Robinhood, but this is the track your dividends website. So, this is the AMC live stream, but we can talk about everything. Anything stocks, we can talk about. I don't care. Just toss in the comment section or the chat. I keep saying comments. I'm so used to making regular videos. But this is trackyourdividends.com. So basically on here, you can basically just put in all your positions. You put in how many shares you have, all that kind of good stuff. Usually just type new holding, type the ticker, shares, and how much your cost basis is, which Robinhood tells you. All platforms tell you. Once you do that, it'll basically just plop it right here. And then it'll just tell you how much you'll have in annual income. It'll give you like your portfolio diversification. So let's go ahead and click on that. So it can say like what I have 16% of my portfolio in consumer discretionary. Another 9% in industrials. It'll do that. It'll do upcoming dividends, which is cool. Oh, of course, bro. No problem. Is the desktop so different from mobile? Yeah, the desktop is so different. I wish Robinhood would update the desktop. What do you think of Curious? We're gonna check that out in a second. I did hear someone else talk about that too. I don't know what it is though. But this website actually takes a minute to load sometimes. But yeah, so here we go. Upcoming dividends. So it shows you your upcoming dividends. Like I said, all this is by the way, this is a free website. So check this out. All this is upcoming dividends. So you can see it looks like March will probably be one of my best months for dividends. I'm gonna get a roughly $68 paid to me in dividends, which will then get reinvested, which will make me even more money. Like it can do the same thing for you. So yeah, definitely check this website out. Trackyourdividends.com. I don't have a referral link for it. I don't think they even do that, but it's cool stuff. And they even have another feature. They have these other features too, but these are paid ones. I think this is the last free one. Let me go here. And it's called future value. So when you go to future value, you can actually see how much, if I stopped investing today, right? I got my Robinhood account. If I stopped investing today, didn't put any more money in, this is how much money I would get paid every single year in 2030. Well, just how much money I would get paid the year of 2030. So, $1,000, you might say it's not a lot of money, and it's not that much money. But when you get paid that for essentially doing nothing, it's a lot of money. And then dividends, they're going to continuously get reinvested into the market, which makes you even more money. So we go and click out to 25 years. Like I said before, this website is pretty slow. If we go and click out 25 years, there we go, $13,000 in 2045. And it looks like a portfolio value of $91,000. And like I said before, this is if you don't put any more money in. So it's good stuff. Can't really go wrong. What else do we have? How much is that tracking site? The tracking site is 100% free. They do have a paid service. Let me go to products. Is it on the product? So here we go. So it's 100% free to use basically everything I just showed you. Good stuff there. And the paid version, which I do have, I don't know if it's 100% worth it. I just have it, just to show it off. But all free. Paid version, you have no ads on the website. Stock popularity analytics, which I don't really use that much. Stock analysis is actually a really good tool. I can show you guys that in a second. Dividend safety scores, which is cool, but you can base your dividend buying stocks off of a couple of different things. Unlimited bank account feeds or whatever like that. I don't really know what that is because I never really noticed that in priority support. I never had to use their support, so it's just really an issue for me. But yeah, overall, everything I just showed you on this website is free. So check it out. Like I said, check it out. It's good stuff. What else we got here? Oh, let me look at, yeah, I'm not sure what Curious is. I did hear another YouTuber talking about it. Let me go on over to Robinhood because I'm just all over the place. And the market opens in 1 minute. Look at that. Let's see what these numbers are going to update in 1 minute. So let's see. Because options don't update unless the market Market is open. Curious is down today. It looks, well, not down, but it's up 3 cents in pre-market. Oh, let me know if you guys are in Dogecoin too. I have a decent amount of Dogecoin myself. Oh, market is open. I'm not sure what Curious is, but let me know. Yeah, let me know. They do what? Drug stuff as well? Okay. So another bio kind of tech company. Pharmaceutical. Cool stuff. All right, looks like, all right, there we go. There we go. So I'm recovering on this play, 250 today. Let me change it to total return so you can see I'm only down $50 now. This was down like I just want to let you get Dogecoin to the moon. This was down like, okay, we're up. We're up today, 562. All right, we'll see if we can hold this. But this AMC call I had, this was down like on Thursday, Friday. This was down like $400 or $500. I was like, man, this is some cheese, but it's okay. We'll see how things go today. We're pushing close to $24,000 right now. We'll see what happens. This is one I actually bought, the $40 AMC call. I actually bought this one. Oh, up 600 now. Look at that. And you see the Express. Oh, tragic. I've actually bought the $40 AMC call Friday when AMC was pretty down. I think it was around like $9 a share or something like that. That's when I bought that call. Ally, I want to get out of this, but I just don't want to take that much of a loss, so I'll just hold it for the time being. Express, I definitely want to hopefully get something better than that. That would be nice. So now it just keeps fluctuating. It's crazy stuff. So let's change it back to today's return. I'm tired. I can't see that negative. It hurts me. So yeah, Express down 45. Nokia up to $8 today. Block. If you guys know what Block is, Block actually follows. It's like a I'm gonna click on it. Block actually follows all of these different crypto stocks. So it's essentially an ETF for all these different crypto stocks. If you guys don't know, so if you go to, let me type in MSTR, MicroStrategy, since we're talking about crypto or Dogecoin and stuff like that. What? Oh, is this up? Oh, praise, ITP. Look at that. So ITP, it's so many stocks, it's so many plays I got going on. I'll tell you about ITP in a second. And we're okay. This is gonna be annoying. I can see. I might have to mute this. Yep. Let's just mute it for right now, because everything's gonna pop off. Okay, so if you guys don't know what MicroStrategy is, MicroStrategy essentially follows Bitcoin almost exactly. You can see I basically don't have a position in it. Yeah, but MicroStrategy basically follows Bitcoin exactly. So when Bitcoin goes up, MicroStrategy shoots up, and when Bitcoin goes down, MicroStrategy does go down a bit, but it doesn't take a hard hit. So definitely they have, basically MicroStrategy has like, I don't know how many millions in Bitcoin. They have a lot of Bitcoin, basically, is what I'm saying. So if you guys want to, jump into Bitcoin and you want to invest into Bitcoin, I would say honestly just invest into MicroStrategy, because it follows Bitcoin, like I said, exactly. You lose a lot less, and it's actually a stock. With Bitcoin and cryptocurrency, your money isn't really that secure, technically speaking. Like, it's not insured, basically. It's not insured, FDIC, all that kind of stuff. So MicroStrategy, if you want to check that out, definitely take a look at that. Good stuff there. Phone is popping off with notifications. That's the only problem with that. But yeah, it looks like ITP. I want to show you guys ITP. That's actually, I don't know why it popped up on Webull, because I have it on Robinhood too. So let's scroll. This is on today's return. Let's make sure it's on today's return. It is. Okay, so ITP is actually a penny stock. Oh, we at the dollar? No, we're not at a dollar. I'm down $9 with right now. Looks like it's up 6% today. I need to look. ITP, they basically just make mass. Let's be real. All they do is make mass. So once this hits like $1.50, I'm gonna go ahead and sell it. So, but if you guys want to jump into it while it's 82 cents, just saying, it's up 6% today. Well, I don't know where it's gonna go. I mean, the whole market has been crazy considering, AMC GameStop. People are selling off to buy that. So I think last week it was at 97, 98 cents, and then it tanked after everything happened with Robinhood and whatnot. So a total return $9 now. Good stuff. So yeah, if you want to mute, just click the right on notifications. Focus assist off. Perfect. All right, let me try that. So you click right on the notifications. Notification settings. Oh, okay, perfect. Okay. Well, thank you. Perfect. Yeah, 'cause, do you think it's rising or dropping? Rising or dropping for what? What gonna happen with games today? Yeah, rising or dropping for what, Robin? Let me know about that. What's gonna happen with game today? I hope it goes up. I mean, I'm not sure if is it still down. It was down in pre-market. See what happens now. Let's check it. Check it. It's still down. That's interesting. We'll see what happens. Oh, I was just saying 288. Dang, I was way down. Okay. We'll see. 10%. We'll see. I don't have a position in GameStop. I only have one in AMC, Nokia, Express. So We'll see what happens with this. 25 people here. Thank you very much for all 25 of you being here. We're talking about AMC, GameStop, general stock market stuff. So if you're interested in any of that, sit back, relax. We'll be here for a little bit of time today. Should I delete Robinhood or leave it? Well, so here's my position. I can talk about that for a second. I think I have like transitions too. I can switch to like, I got the Stream Deck. This thing is so cool, bro. Like, if I switch, let me see. I click this button. I think I'm full screen now, right? Let me see if it pops up on that. Yeah, full screen. Check that out. So full screen, yeah. But basically, I just want to talk about my Robinhood debacle. I can switch back to the main screen. We'll just cover a chart or something over it. But for Robinhood, yeah. If you want to leave, obviously you can leave. I still stand by Robinhood. I think it's a great platform. I do dislike the leadership. I do still plan on leaving as well. But I don't know when that's going to be, only because this is like the best way for me to show my portfolio to my audience on YouTube. Now, for someone like you, I don't know if you have a YouTube channel or if you present this stuff in a particular way, then, you know, you might not need it. But for me, I kind of need Robinhood around. I do plan on still leaving. I just have to find the right app for it. I've seen other apps. I have other apps as well. I have other brokerages. So it really comes down to it, what your personal preferences are, how you believe about the company. Honestly, if things go through, maybe a year from now, we might even have the same Robinhood CEO. I mean, Robinhood's supposed to go public this year, IPO public. So we'll see what happens. Hopefully they can get a new CEO, because, I mean, that guy, was Vlad. I don't know his last name. Can't remember his last name. But Vlad, it's a shame. It's a shame. That's all I got to say on that point. So I don't know. It's up to you. That's basically what I'm saying. It's up to you. Do what's best for you. Yeah, that's how you got to stick with it. What we got going on StockTwitch? StockTwitch is popping off. You can see what we got. We got to go ahead and smoke and read thing about it right here with the done. Look at these comments just going in. Let me just click new. Oh man, it's crazy. It's not even updating. That's how crazy it is. Let me close this and close. We can keep that open. How do calls work? So calls are basically calls and put. So I can explain calls for a second. Calls are basically a bet that a stock price is going to go up. So I'm basically betting that the stock price of AMC will go up. Anytime the stock price of AMC goes up above like my certain threshold of where I bought it at, I essentially make money. So that's exactly how it works. What do we have? That's literally how it works. That's the most basic way to do it. Obviously, with options, they're very complex, but basically speaking, that's how it works. We can actually go in and view the options right here for AMC. So let's say, what are we at right now? We're at $17. Okay. So let's say I want to do a $17 call. I can go ahead and click on that, and you can see it's $5.70 right now. Click continue, and I can do however many contracts I want. If I want to do one contract, it essentially rents for you 100 shares of AMC. You're not actually like, you don't own those shares, obviously, but I look at it as like it's kind of renting those shares for a limited amount of time. So if I do one, that's $575 for one contract of AMC. And really anything, as long as that goes up from the point that you buy it at, you're going to make money. Simply put. Also, another thing to note about contracts and stuff like that, if you buy, I believe, 10, the numbers are really different. So obviously $5,000. Okay. The numbers are really different. So if you had like 10 contracts of AMC or really any stock, it doesn't have to be AMC. You do pretty well off. You would be pretty well off, is what I'm saying, because the numbers are different. You would basically make a lot more money with the 10 contracts versus having one. Obviously, if you have multiple contracts, it doesn't matter if you have 1, 2, 3. The more you have, the more you're gonna make. But if you have like 10 or more, you're definitely gonna see a nice multiplier on your money if that stock price shoots up. So, you know, take that with what you will. You know, do whatever you want with that. I made an options video on my channel as well, so if you want to check that out, you can check that out. Also, if you check here, you can basically change the expiration date of your contract. So I'm gonna get to these comments in like 5 seconds. So basically, you can go out for AMC. Like if you want to set, like say 2023, I want to set a bid of $17 call for 2023. How much is that? What, $1,000, something like that? Oh, hold on, let me change. Hold up. What is that? I don't know why it's not updating. Maybe I can't. Can I not do it? Like normally it would update, but that's weird. Okay. Well, it says it here. That's the price. Okay, you can only. Oh, here we go. You can only select up to one option if you want to build a strat. Oh, Robinhood. Okay. Well, normally you can buy it, but in this instant you can't because Robinhood has their restrictions on there right now. But yeah, so same thing goes. If you want to, a call is essentially you're betting that the stock price is going to go up. A put, you're betting that the stock price is going to go down, and that's why we're in this whole debacle we're in right now, because these hedge fund managers did a whole bunch of puts, and they didn't expect anybody to actually go ahead and shoot the price up, so they're losing billions, we're making billions, essentially, Let me go and check these comments. It looks like I got a decent amount. Yeah, but like I said, I made a thank you. Uh, MPK, thank you. I appreciate that. But like I said, I made a video talking about options, so definitely check that out. It's pretty bare bones. I don't know everything about options. I'm not the pro at options or anything like that, so don't do that. But I mean, I made some money with options. Like actually, my most successful option, I actually got an option on Tesla back in last November of 2020. I bought it, I think the end of November, sold it the end of December, and that was a $5,000 profit. So I 100% my money. I'll take it. And honestly, if I held that option for and I'm kind of mad because if I held that option for if I held it for 2 to 3 more weeks, I would have made $35,000, maybe $40,000 off that one option. So it is what it is. You can't be mad, that you're taking profits. Like at the end of the day, I'm up 100%. Like you gotta do what you gotta do. So it is what it is. It is what it is. Let's see what these regular stocks are looking like. What else do we have in here? Transfer of wealth, new age of Aquarius. Okay. I love options trading. Yes. Let me see what else we got here. To be honest, would be get some gains on Robinhood as a beginner and let it grow. Get some capital. We want something else. Yeah, basically, yeah. Robinhood is definitely a beginner platform. I think it's great. It's a great beginner platform. I feel like for pros and stuff like that, you can definitely take it somewhere else and get some nice gains and whatnot. But for me, just in general, like I said, for YouTube, Robinhood just works the best for me, so that's why I'm using it. Good stuff like that. Yeah, no work today. Like, look, snow, even though it's not snowing, but snow. I'm not mad at it, bro. I'm not mad at it. I wanted to be off today, actually do this live stream for you guys. All 31 of you in here. I appreciate every single last one of you in here right now. So yeah. Where are some better platforms to use other than Robinhood? What else we got here? I'm gonna check that out as well. Better platforms to use other than Robinhood. We got Webull. So Webull's right here. This is the desktop for Webull, the desktop application for Webull, which is really nice actually. I like Webull. It's cool stuff. They're all under Webull, Public, M1 Finance, Doe. They're all under Apex Clearinghouse, so they also blocked the whole thing with the stocks on Thursday and whatnot. But they actually did, put out a nice statement saying, yeah, we're basically doing it because, it's just too much to handle right now. Which, okay, I'll buy it, okay. But Robinhood, they kind of did us dirty. They just put us in the dark and just let us go about our day. But my Webull account right here, you can see all my holdings. I like Webull. I like Public. I made a video talking about Public. I'm looking at Doe right now. Some people talk to me about Stash, saying like their interface is nice. SoFi, it's so many different options. And then you can go to the big dogs like Fidelity, E-Trade, Vanguard, but I don't really like their interfaces, so that's why I really don't use them. But yeah, here we go on Webull right here. It's snowing here in New York. Oh, I can believe that. Is it heavy there? Cause I don't know what's going on with this weather. That's something funny too, because like. Weather is just so unpredictable. It's just like, I don't know how these meteorologists really get paid, because it seems like they be wrong a lot. So I'm just putting that out there. I don't know. Either way, yeah. Here's my Webull portfolio. I got UAVS. If you guys don't know what UAVS is, definitely do some research on them. You can see I'm up about $2,000 with them right here. They are basically rumored to be partnered with Amazon for drone delivery. So if you guys don't know, now you know. I don't know when this is going to happen. Honestly, the price has been going up consistently for the past 2 months now, and there's been no news, so there's really no reason for this price increase. I'm not mad. I'm just holding it until they actually get some news about talking about them and Amazon, good stuff like that. Macy's, I actually sold out of that play once it hit $20. I bought it at $9. Fuel Cell, I just made some money off Fuel Cell. I think I did the same thing. I sold it all out of that play. AMC, we're obviously still holding. Ship, don't have that anymore. Why is this not showing? This is showing my open P. I don't want to see that. I want to see my actual, here we go, my actual positions. Here we go. Here are my positions over here. So we got some Camping World. I got this for free. AMC 105 shares. We're up $158 right now. It's fluctuating. The market's open, obviously. CRS I got for free. TTCF is Tattooed Chef. I've heard good things about this company. It hasn't popped off just yet. I have 25 shares. I'm down $86 with them. What we got here? Yelp, got that for free. Bitcoin, I just have it on here. Just have it on here. It's only $10 worth of Bitcoin. There's no Bitcoin here. Go to Nugget, online gambling, online gaming. Can't remember which one it is. But basically, it's online gambling. I'm also down with this pretty big. $158. I have about 50 shares with that, but they also should pop off throughout the rest of 2021. I keep saying 2020. So 2021, they should be popping off. GE got some free shares of that. Asana Inc. free share, and then UAVS. So good stuff there. Let me go back to where's AMC looking like? What is GameStop looking like? That's the real question, because GameStop still going down. Ooh, it's doing this thing. And also another thing to note, the Robinhood desktop platform is extremely slow. And I know it's not this computer. This I mean, you guys can't see it, but this computer is fast. I mean, I got my Mac Mini over that too. I could live stream for that, but I just didn't. But this website is just slow. I'm just saying. Just on a side note, let's see what AMC. What we talking about AMC. Let me check these comments. I feel like I'm missing something. I feel like you guys are talking to me. I'm not talking back. Let's see. So I'm guessing it's bad up Long Island right now with the snow. Fidelity is good and never restricted game. Yeah, I like Fidelity. I just don't like their interface. I don't like their app. So I do a lot of investing on my phone. So if I have to use the app all the time, I want it to be like really quick, fast, all that kind of good stuff. AMC's dropping a little bit. And yeah, Fidelity's just not it for me. So sadly, I do like Fidelity though. I do plan on using that. That's definitely a long term for me. We'll see what happens. But yeah. What else we got here? Should I buy AMC? Trying to learn. Should you buy AMC? Yeah, hop in on the craze. All investing involves risk. You need to understand that this isn't like a real investment. I personally feel like this is like more of gambling because of what's going on with AMC, GameStop, Nokia, what's going on with all these stocks. Like, this is literally just gambling at this point. So, just understand that, understand that you might lose everything that you put in, something like that. If you're all good with all that, then yeah, jump in. If you got like, a whole bunch of debt and stuff to pay and stuff like that, then nah, I would sit back on this one, just watch the hype. Or if you want to just toss like a couple dollars in, I mean, it's only $15 a share. You want to just buy a couple shares, why not? It's not going to kill you. But like I said, just say always expect the worst, especially when you're playing with something like this, because this is hype, not like overall real investing. So yeah, that's my 2 cents. I'm just a guy on the internet, so I'm not no financial advisor or anything like that. So I can't tell you, yeah, go buy this. You know what I'm saying? Either way, you get the point. Let's see, you need when should I sell my penny stocks for a quick flip? When should you sell any stock for a quick flip? That's personally up to you. I mean, it depends on how much you're up. I like to sell pennies. I just like to reach a certain goal with certain things. So like for the ITP, I'll only go back to that real quick. I'm gonna get to these comments. I'm trying to run through these comments. Jeez, you guys are. Thank you for the comments. Thank you. Keep them coming. But yeah, so ITP is one of the penny stocks I have. I have 1,000 shares of this penny stock right now. I got it at 81 cents roughly. It's been going up and down. I plan on selling it. It will go over $1. Don't know when. I believe it will go over $1. So I plan on selling it when it hits $1. It goes over $1, maybe 98 cents. But I believe it'll go to like $1.50 at most. They basically make masks, like the mask that you actually cover your face with. They basically make that. So they do a couple other things too, but that's their overall thing. So once these government mandates come through, talking about masks and stuff like that, then you'll make your money off of it. But I mean, that's personal preference. I mean, you can sell when you're up 20%, 100%. I know some people that do not sell unless they're up 500%. But that's a hefty toll. Like, I mean, trying to run for 500% on almost every one of your plays is kind of ridiculous. But if you got it like that, if you know what you're doing, then go ahead. Shoot for the moon, and all your try. Let me see. What do we have? We got so many. Stash is weak in my opinion. Was with them and left them a few years back now. Okay. Now I saw Stash like years ago and I didn't like it, so that's why. It is what it is. That's fine. I do like Public. Like you said, is Public good? Yeah, I do like Public. So cool stuff there. I haven't been using it that much. It's been about 4 or 5 months, but it's a cool platform. It's like it's a nice mesh between Robinhood and Twitter, I guess you could say. Something like that. If they had a baby, it's Public. Something like that. So it's good stuff there. How much will AMC reach, please? I have no idea where AMC is going to go. I would like AMC to go by Wednesday, honestly, I would like AMC to get to like $50 by Wednesday. That would be tough. I would love that. I would make a lot of money, and I'm pretty sure a lot of people would make a lot of money if that's the case. Even harder, no. Everything is completely unpredictable with everything that's going on right now. So just letting you guys know, like, this is all full risk. Like, this isn't like real investing. This is all full risk. What else we got here? Fractional of game. Not sure if I wanna get all in on it. Too much hype. I feel you on that. Like, if you actually do like GameStop and AMC, I might wait. I would personally wait until all this dies down, maybe a couple weeks from now, because, like I said before, these prices are from people that just are buying the stock to buy the stock. Now, you guys know I don't personally like AMC, so the same thing goes for me as well. Like, if you really like these companies, I would say wait until all this dies down, because eventually this price has to go down. Eventually all this will end. It is a trend at the end of the day. So don't know when that's going to happen, but when it does, that's your time to buy. Right now, if you're being a long-term investor, you could. That's just more risk to you, I think. That's all I'm saying with that. What else we got in here? We got just hold the stock. Yeah, we holding around here. Don't sell anything. If you already own a lot, then don't push it. Yeah, if you already own a lot, then don't push it. I completely agree with that. If you already own a lot, don't push it. Know your limits, understand risks, all that kind of stuff. I keep mentioning it because it's really important. I want you guys to understand that. I want everyone to understand that. All 35 of you here, once again, thank you very much. Make sure you guys like the stream. You can get it to more people. We can get more people in here if you like the stream. I don't know what these likes are at right now. How do you even check that? I'm gonna get to all these comments, and then I'm gonna try to send some notifications out to my social media. My main portfolio is with Fidelity, moved, all kinds of stuff. Do you think it'll be a stock market crash this year? I don't know. Everyone's saying, listen, so the thing with the stock market crashes, everyone's saying that the stock market's going to crash, or we're looking for like a 15%, 20% correction. That's fine. There's nothing wrong with that, because, that's a great time to buy. The thing is, no one actually knows when the stock market is going to crash. I thought about making a video like saying, oh, the stock market's going to crash, but it's just like it's fake news, because it's like you really don't know when it's gonna crash. Sure, it can. Sure, there's definitely signs that the market could crash, and the fire alarm is going off. Give me 10 seconds. I'll be right back. Just had to make sure their house isn't burning down. I didn't cook anything, so. Oh, it's off. Okay, I think I'm good. Okay, I'm good. Okay, I think someone's cooking something downstairs. All right, but yeah, no one knows. So. Do that on your own with, no one knows when the market's going to crash. So, just take your time, put some money in consistently, dollar cost average, and you'll be all good to go. What we got here? I'm going to get to all these comments, bro. I'm telling you. Are you laughing at the fire alarm thing? If you're on mobile, you have to close the stream and reload. Okay, cool. Thank you. Where do you think AMC will be 2 weeks from now? If the hype continues, where will AMC be in 2 weeks from now? It has to 2 weeks. I mean, it has to be like $100 a share. Like, let's be real. If it's real hype on this, then yeah. Like I said, all the calls, all the covered spreads or whatever have to be put in by this Wednesday. So if AMC's not popping off by this Wednesday, I would be a little bit worried. We'll see what happens. Bro, honestly, bro, like, I hope the house didn't burn down on my first live, bro. I'd be kind of sick. No, I think my dash is downstairs cooking. He be a little rough sometimes. To the moon, let's get it. Yeah, my first stream and the house burns down. That's sick, bro. Come on. What's up, Steven? Let's see. So let me close my stream real quick and reload it. See how many. Yeah, get these likes. Let's get these likes up. We can get these likes up, get more people in here. We can all have a conversation talking about AMC, GameStop, my position, stock market stuff, anything you guys want to talk about, really. I made this, this whole live stream thing for everything that's going on today, but we can talk about whatever you want. I really don't care. It's up to you. I mean, you guys are here. You guys are here to listen, so I don't mind. We can talk about whatever you want. This video right here, first live stream gone. First live stream going wrong, bro. Like, for real, bro. Like, I can't. So, we'll see. Am I down for the day? Yeah, I'm about to start tanking. I can feel it. The vibes are coming. Yep, there it is. Down $30. It's okay. I don't care. Look, this is long term. Oh, look at all these stocks. This is all long term stuff, bro. I'm not stressing over this stuff. Oh yeah, let's talk about. I have Dogecoin. I have Dogecoin. Let's look at that real quick. So look at Dogecoin. I'm up 256% with Dogecoin. Yeah. Who knew, yo? My friend, a person I work with, actually, she told me to hop in on Dogecoin when it's under a penny. So I did just that. I bought like $150 worth, I think, something like that, and I averaged up what just a bit. You can see I'm at average cost of 1 penny and everything like that, and boom, yeah, up $428. It was at 8 cents not too long ago, and it's popping. What do I think of Zom? Yeah, I see that's you cooking. Okay. What do I think of Zom? I'm not sure about Zom. I never got in on Zom, the penny stock. I do know what you're talking about. I have a couple of friends that are in Zom. If I could get them on the stream, that'd be great. They could talk about it, but I personally don't have a position in Zom. So yeah, folks should stop selling AMC. We're trying to go to the moon, bro. Like, let's at least get to like $35. You know what I'm saying? Before we start tanking again. So like I said, we'll see what AMC happens. During the week, we'll see by Wednesday. We'll see what it's looking like. Because overall, I mean, even though this is all for hype and stuff like that, you do have to get out eventually, and I don't want you guys to get out. I mean, I'm already down, but I'm saying I don't want you guys to put $20,000 in here, because I've seen some people do it personally. I don't want you to put $20,000 in and you lose it all. You know what I'm saying? So we'll see what happens with AMC. We'll see what happens with GameStop, all that. Yeah. What's your take on Naked? I think they were halted as well. I know I'm not deep on that. I'm not deep on the penny stocks. Like, it's tons of people, that are really into the penny stocks. Naked, I just found out about like last week or something. I would invest in them. I don't know. Are you looking at like a long-term thing, short-term? What are you looking at? I thought on Virgin Galactic, got some shares a while ago, and it's doing silly on it. Virgin Galactic, I heard big hype around that. I'm not personally in it. So we'll see what happens with that. BlackBerry, I think BlackBerry is just straight hype. To be completely honest, I don't know what's up with that. But for real, we gotta ask the real question here. What games are you streaming or playing right now? Listen. Yeah, okay. And XRP. Well, I'm gonna talk about the XRP real quick. XRP, I used to have tons of XRP, but I got rid of them all after the whole debacle with they're not a real crypto and all that kind of stuff. So now I'm looking at now I have Litecoin. So I have Litecoin. I have Dogecoin, which is right here. I'm looking into Digicoin. If you guys don't know what that is, check it out. Digicoin, DIGI. Byte. Oh no, not Digicoin. Digibyte. I'm looking into Digibyte. So DIGIBYTE. Looking into that. And I have a slight amount of Bitcoin, which is really nothing. Maybe like $20 worth of Bitcoin. So, hey, it is what it is. But as far as live streaming, I'm live streaming right now, stock market stuff. So we got Dogecoin right here. We got GameStop, all that kind of stuff. AMC. As far as live streaming like games and stuff, I got this nice PC here. I'm playing Cyberpunk, obviously, because we'll only wait forever for that game. I've been playing a lot of Rocket League with the gang, of course, playing the Rocket League stuff. So that's cool stuff there. And I can show you my homepage. Let me go here and go here. So these are the games I got installed right now that I'm kind of messing around with. I just built this PC not too long ago, so I don't have like tons of games on here. But mainly I'm just playing Cyberpunk, Rocket League, and I need to finish Watch Dogs 2. It's actually been a while, so need to finish Watch Dogs 2 and Among Us every now and then. But I play a lot of games, and Call of Duty, well, I just wish they fixed that game a little earlier. I just don't feel like hopping on it anymore. I love Call of Duty, but I just don't feel like getting on it. It's just fun. The frustration, it hits. You on Apex Legends? I need to be. I'm trash at Apex Legends, bro. I'm straight trash. I love, and it's funny because I'm nice at Titanfall. Yo, nice, sick. So the fact that I'm trash at Apex Legends is ridiculous. Oh, you said my face is covering it. Oh, duh. Okay, so you can't even see the games. Sorry, hold on. Let me move this. Can I move this like live? I wonder. I can. Oh, look at that. I hope you guys see that live. That's tough, bro. I just learned how to do all this stuff like a day ago, bro. Like, it's crazy. All right, so I moved it over. So yeah, these are all my games right here. Nothing crazy. I'm a big Grand Theft Auto fan. Thank you for telling me my face is covering it, by the way, because I had no idea. I forgot that I'm like, that's why I need 2 screens. I used to have 2 screens, but either way, yeah. Yeah. So these are all the games, right? Oh, Spellbreak. I don't know if you guys ever played Spellbreak. It's fire, bro. I'm just saying, I love that. I actually do really like that game. I haven't played it in a while, but it's actually a good game. But Cyberpunk's a banger. I have a lot more games on Xbox. Um, that was my main platform. Until I switched over to PC. Still have the Xbox downstairs, PlayStation's downstairs, Nintendo Switch downstairs. So, yeah, we game on everything. So yeah, it'll be some stuff coming soon for that. I'm gonna move it back over here. And yeah, good stuff there. So, you guys like it? I'm saying I'm so happy. GTA 6, yeah, we need that GTA 6, bro. Need that. Man, GTA 6. Wait, when I think it's coming out. Never, never. That game's never coming out, bro. I mean, look, Grand Theft Auto. We're just talking about everything. I don't even care. I don't mind at all. If you guys are here and you guys are enjoying it, I mean, you're hanging in. So it's 33 people watching. You're hanging in here. So you must like something. Either way, GTA, it's never coming out. Grand Theft Auto 5, they're making so much money still off the online on that game, especially with Red Dead and stuff too. With shark cards, all kinds. I don't know who's buying these shark cards. It's 2021. It's literally, look at the date. Can you guys see that? Look at the date. It's 2021, and people are still buying shark cards. Is this a joke? Like, I don't know. So they're making millions of dollars still with that game. I don't know when GTA 6 is coming out. They're probably working on it. Honestly, I'm hoping for a Bully 2. We'll see what happens. Let's see what else we got in here. When do you think GTA 6 will be? If it does, honestly, to be really honest though, GTA 6, with 2023, I'm gonna run with that. That's my thing. So if I get that, you guys owe me $1 or something like that. We'll run with that. Let's see. How do you feel about pre-built PCs? I'm not a pro at building PCs. I did not. I'm gonna see if I can actually show you guys my PC. I don't want to like knock my whole camera setup over. I'm gonna try to show you. I'm not a pro at building PCs or anything like that. So let me see if I can actually show you guys mine. Pop this off real quick. So here's my PC. It's pretty nice. I think so. My friend actually helped me build that. So cool stuff there. We got, yeah. No, it's just cool stuff there. Either way, I'm gonna do a whole setup tour video so you guys can check that out. Does this look good? Yeah, I'm gonna do a whole setup tour like video. It's for real. Look, I'm on TV. Yeah, for real. But yeah, you guys want to check that stuff out? That'd be cool too. Yeah, but Bully 2, I'm honestly more excited for that. I never bought a shark card. It's cap. It's cap. I don't believe it. I don't believe it. Maybe you probably. I believe you. I believe you. I don't know. Man. GTA. It's funny because I still know people to this day that are playing GTA Online. I'm like, yo, it's cool, but like, bro, I'm tired of driving around. It's just the funniest thing to me. I don't know. But Bully 2, yeah, sounds cool. Bully 2 was scrapped to make GTA 6. I hope not, bro. I want Bully 2. Like, you guys don't understand. I really do love Bully. Red Dead 2 is dying so hard. Yeah, it is. I still have to play it. I haven't even played it. I was not a big fan of Red Dead 1, so, you know, it is what it is. But let me do a quick refresh. So basically, this whole live stream, I'm in here talking about, you know, AMC, GameStop, what these prices are looking like, what's popping off today. Hopefully we can go to the moon. We're dropping right now, so it's going down just a bit. What's GameStop looking at? So I don't have GameStop in my portfolio, so let's check that out. GameStop, oh, nice little recovery. Well, we'll see, because like I said, this website, okay, yeah, okay, there we go. It wasn't updated. Okay, yes, GameStop's down to 270s. Hopefully we're going to the moon today. We'll see what happens. I'm not entirely sure, but it is what it is. We got till about Wednesday, I think. Honestly, if it's not taken off by Wednesday, you know, I might have to step out these positions. I don't know, because at the end of the day, I'm not trying to lose a lot of money like that. I understand the whole principle. I'm behind you guys. I get it, but nah. We'll see what happens. Either day, hey, Team Xbox, yes sir. Let me see. Dude, I was gonna buy GTA 5 for PC, but it doesn't transfer to Xbox console, which made me feel mad. It doesn't? Oh, I have it on PC. I haven't even opened it. I only played it on Xbox. I thought you could, like, you know, transfer your account and stuff like that, but I guess not. If you're saying that, that kind of sucks. Not a fan of that. What we gonna go back to? Let's go see what my shares AMC. So I still have those 105 shares of AMC currently at $50 right here. As you guys can see over here. Uh, it's gonna be a nice day. We're already at 10 o'clock, so it's been a solid little 30 minutes, you know. Did you get a snow day today? I did get a snow day today. I did get a snow day today, so that's the only reason I'm live streaming right now. Is because I got a snow day today. Um, I heard it's supposed to pick back up around 12 noon. We'll see what happens. Not entirely sure, but yes, yeah. You could, but they stopped it a while ago. Oh, you could, but they stopped it a while ago. Oh, that sucks. Good thing I own both Microsoft and Sony stocks. Facts, facts. Like, you know, listen, if you're gonna buy, you know, a whole bunch of products from a particular brand, then definitely invest with that brand. Because I mean, you like the product, so you probably like the brand. Either way, I have a whole bunch of Apple stuff here. I mentioned it in a previous video. I got a what? Got the iPhone right here. I have a Mac Mini right there, and an Apple Watch, Apple chargers, all the kind of good stuff. So you know, invest in Apple, invest in Microsoft. I'm not, you know, just a guy on the internet just saying that, not financial advice, but you know, I do think it's a pretty good company to be invested in. So if you guys want to jump into that, do that. What else we got on here? We're back up to 33 viewers. Like I said before, this is the first time I've ever live streamed, so thank you very much. I did not expect this many people to show up, but I'm not mad at it at all. AMC is still doing its thing. Looks like it's still going down because I'm down to only $30 in gains on it right now. We'll see what happens throughout the day. You know, it'll probably dip, honestly, all the way up until past lunch, maybe like 1:30, and then it'll probably, you know, probably do its thing and go. So it is what it is. Let me see. Let me try to close. Can I share this? I just want to share. I'm trying to share the stream out. Let me see. I'm trying to share the stream out to everybody. Join live. Let's see. What else do you guys want to talk about? Let me see. Let me go back into the comments. I might have missed something. What else do you guys want to talk about? Like I said before, I mean, this is obviously a stock market stream. We can talk about whatever. If you have any questions about investing, anything like that, I make those type of videos. Credit cards, personal finance, all that. It's all on the channel already. So if you want to talk about anything like that, we can do that. It's not a problem. So let me know. Yo, it says invest in Apple. Some random guy buys every. I mean, look. Hey, it's good stuff. They make good products overall. I have no issue with their products. I mean, every now and then it's a little funky, but I'm not mad at it. You know, I still love Microsoft. I've invested in Microsoft. Still love Sony to an extent. You know, I just noticed you got SW, and I'm actually buying some today. Yeah, I got a where is it at? I got a free share of it from Webull. I haven't actually looked into the company, but I mean, honestly, it looks like they're doing pretty good. Like, it might be something solid to invest in. So I'll definitely have to do some research on that. How do you? I wish I had like the Mac keyboard right here, because I don't have that. I mean, like the Mac mouse, because you can like, it's like a touchscreen mouse. It's pretty cool. Looking to IPOE, Charmass SPAC to merge with SoFi. Okay. I actually heard, yeah, we can talk about SPACs too. What else we got here? What's the best way to start building credit? I never had one. A credit card, bro. If you can get a credit card, it's probably one of the best ways to start building credit. Obviously, don't go out and run your credit card up. Literally just go put like a small purchase on there and, you know, pay it off every single month in full. It's one of the best ways to do it. I don't know how old you are, but if you're 18, yeah, credit card. That's simple. Obviously, you can have like loans in your name and stuff like that, but I think a credit card is just like the best way to go about it. If you don't have any credit at all, you might still be able to get a credit card. Because I didn't have any credit when I got my first credit card, but I got it from Bank of America. They gave me my first credit card, the Bank of America Cash Rewards credit card. So yeah, I would say a credit card is like one of the best ways to do it. I have tons of credit card videos. Definitely check those videos out on the channel. They'll help you out for sure. IPOE. So you said they're supposed to merge with Charmass SPAC to merge with SoFi. Okay, bet. Yeah, either way, bro. Credit card. Like I said, age don't matter. Get a credit card, bro. I'm telling you. I have 6, by the way. I have 6 different credit cards. So it works. It's not a joke. Let's see what else we got here. So yeah, it's supposed to merge with SPAC for SoFi. So this will make SoFi go public, it looks like. This stock right here. I like that. I'm not big on SoFi. I'm not really sure. I know they're good. I know people love them. Yeah, man. SoFi is dope. Also be okay. Yeah, I know people love them a lot. So I'll look into it. For sure. I know one of these companies I actually have in my portfolio right now. What is it called? I can just pull it up. They're supposed to merge with, you know, Coinbase is supposed to go public this this year as well. But BlockFi, you know, a Coinbase competitor, basically, they're supposed to merge with, or they're rumored to. I'm not saying they're supposed to, because I can't, you know, give information out like that, because I don't know. But they're supposed to merge with this company, Fusion. Basically, this will turn into BlockFi, essentially. So check that out. Rumors are saying that's the truth. I'm currently up with them. I have 80 shares. Currently up about $16 with them. If they merge with BlockFi, then you can obviously know this will just soar. So check them out. Fuse right there, a Coinbase competitor, for crypto and everything like that. So yeah. What else we got here? Yeah, they got a new stadium, the most expensive stadium. Oh, bet. I'll take it. You know, so they making money. I know they're making money. So yeah, that's good stuff there. What else we got here? CELH. What's that? What's CELH? Celsius. Celsius. That sounds really familiar. What do they do? Office grapefruit. Oh, is that like those juices or those sodas and stuff like that, where like you can just like kind of have your own flavors or make your own flavors or whatever? Is that what that is, or is that something else? Every drink company? Oh, basically, it's just every drink company. Just like, cool. I mean, that's cool. I had to look into that too. I mean, they're doing pretty well. I mean, $55 for some drinks, I'll take it. What are we looking like over past week? Down a little bit. I mean, past week, you honestly can't even look at this because every daggone stock went down over the past week. A 3-month chart. Yeah, I mean, they look like they're doing pretty well. Oh, energy drink. I don't say. I read every drink company. It's an energy drink company. Thank you. Clearly, like, bro, what? Okay, yeah, I can look. I can get behind that. I'll see what's going on with that. I can only hear you out my left headphone. I can only hear you out my left headphone. That's strange. I don't know how. Out my left headphone. Is this something I'm doing wrong with my audio output? It's possible. I'm not entirely sure. Like, this is the first time live streaming, and I don't want to go and mess with something and you guys can't hear me at all. Let's see. No, it wouldn't be under that. Create output projector. Yeah, output projector. Effects, I can too. Huh. That's so strange. I have no idea why you guys can only hear me out my mic input. Why you guys can only hear me out your left. Huh. Maybe that's I'll have to figure that out at a later time. I have no idea why that's the case. Is that a XLR mic? Yeah, it is. This is the Rode Pod mic, I believe, the Rode Pod mic, and it has an XLR cable. It goes into this Focusrite Scarlett Solo that connects to my computer, which gives the audio basically. I'll figure that left right thing out first. Like I said before, yeah, it's the first time live streaming, so definitely gonna be some hiccups, and we'll have to just deal with it for now because I have no idea. Like, what's the code? What's everything looking like? I know it's probably still going down. AMC, it looks like it, yeah. 14, dang. 1484. We'll see if we can get a little bounce back. That'd be nice. I have two options on AMC, one for a $9 call, the other one for a $40 call. They both expired this Friday, so it'll be nice if I could get some money off of this. You know, that'd be really nice. And then for the stock wise, I have 105 shares of AMC if you guys are just tuning in. Game drop bad. Yeah, it's looking like it. Let me check game real quick. GameStop. Yeah, so honestly, like, GameStop basically followed at 275. Well, actually, let me wait for it to update because it takes forever. Okay, there we go, 267. Okay, yeah. GameStop, I know it's like GameStop obviously and AMC, they basically have the same exact chart. So as long as GameStop is going down, I'm pretty sure AMC is going to go down. So we'll see how things continue to go throughout the rest of today. After hours today, because after hours it's always something crazy in after hours, so we'll see what happens with that. And tomorrow and Wednesday, like I said before, if it's not really popping off by Wednesday, it's gonna be a little rough to look around, you know, and be like, well, is this really dying off? Is this the end? You know, I don't know. We'll have to just wait and see on that. But you know, hang tight, hold your dollars, Because I mean, like I said before, this has happened before. It's not the first time this has happened. GameStop and AMC have done this before, especially GameStop because obviously this was the first one to pop off. They've both done this before, so just hang tight, see what's going on. We'll see what happens. Now, if I don't know. I don't really have a. I was gonna say like a cutoff. Like I don't have like a stop loss for this. Like obviously I don't want to lose all my money, but I mean I didn't really bet that much. Only like a couple hundred. What? Maybe like at most like I think at most everything probably like $1,500. So if I lose it, it is what it is. I don't know how much you bet. So if you bet a lot more than that, then you gotta do what you gotta do. I understand. A friend of mine actually I think he bought like $10,000 worth of AMC last week. So I don't even know where he's sitting at right now, but it's not where I'm sitting at. So I know he's down most likely. So we'll see. If it goes well for the game, what could the price be at the end of the week? If everything goes well for GameStop, I think the price would be I think it would hit 600. And the thing is, honestly, GameStop would have hit 600 last week if Robinhood didn't pull everything that they pulled. It would have easily reached $600 last week, but it would have reached it on Thursday actually. But everything was popping. I mean, GameStop was at like, I think it was at 500 in pre-market. I think it was either like 450 or 500 pre-market. So easily would have hit $600 last week. Wouldn't have been a problem. It probably would have made it to 1,000 this week. Who knows? Maybe Friday. Who knows at all? Honestly. No analyst recommend to buy. Yeah, no analyst is actually going to recommend to buy this because, like I said before, this is 100% gambling at this point. This isn't real investing. If you actually do want to hop into GameStop or AMC as an actual company because you like them, I will wait until all this dies down because the prices will go back down. I don't think they'll stay up. I don't think GameStop's going to sit around $300 a share. It'd be crazy if it does, and GameStop could honestly change their whole business model, which would be something else to even talk about because they could turn into like the Netflix of gaming. That'd be pretty hard. I think it'd be pretty cool. They need to do something like that to stay alive in the first place. So, but no analyst is gonna tell you to buy GameStop or AMC, and I'm not telling you to buy GameStop or AMC. I'm just saying, I'm doing what I'm doing. That's just kind of how it is. Let's see what else we got. I put 120 in it. Okay. Any other positions? Any other positions you looking at taking advantage of this dip? Let me check. See, the thing is, I've been so focused on everything else, I haven't even like really paid attention to my regular stocks. So honestly, anything on a solid dip, I would just buy. I can buy some stuff now, I guess. I can just do some dollar cost averaging on a couple of things. So let's go. Can I like click through these? Ugh, this is so annoying. I do not like this website. I'm so happy I'll do it on my phone, but I want you guys to see what I'm doing. So. I definitely wanted to get some Microsoft, but I'm going to wait on that still. I definitely wanted to buy some more Microsoft. Let's see what else. If all doesn't work out, I'm screwed. How much did you put in, bro? If you don't mind me asking, how much you put down? Or what you put it down on AMC or GameStop? I mean, we all in this together. At the end of the day, we're all in this together. Go top. I do think GameStop is going to go back up. Don't know when. A lot. Oof. All right, bro. I feel you. Look, we're all in this together. I'm not selling. Look, I'm right with you. I'm not selling anything. So, at least not today. I'll let you know if I am, but it's not today, most likely. So let's see. I'm not gonna drop any more in PSEC. I'm already at 11 shares. What's the down today? Is that Shell? No, Exxon. Why did I say Shell? Exxon's down. I'm not gonna buy any Exxon though. I like this. Anytime this goes down, I would definitely drop some more in there. This is definitely a position I'm consistently looking at for you guys looking at it. Basically, Roundhouse Sports Betting is basically a ETF for all those sports betting different stocks. They have Golden Nugget in there. They have DraftKings in there, and all the other ones. I can't remember the names, but I got in. I bought this around. It says average cost $17. I bought this around $15. And I mean, you can see some gains, 56%. That's pretty good gains. And this was like, let me go back to year chart. They actually just started out June 4th of 2020. You can see it's just casually riding up. So as long as the online betting industry gets better, so is this. I have no issue with that. You better tell us if you sell. I'm definitely gonna tell. I'm not selling today. That's for sure. I'll tell you if I sell though. AMC is trending right now on StockSwits, obviously. Prediction for AMC today. I'm I want at least, because I think AMC is the wall really for AMC is like $25. So if it could, but right now it's not looking like that. I don't think we're gonna we could get the 20, but right now the wall is for 25. So anything over 25, I'm happy with. But prediction for today, honestly, the way it's going, and I don't know if people are still like hyping it up. I mean, I know people are talking about it everywhere. The way it's going, I would like to close at like $18, maybe $19. I really like to close over 20. So let's say 1850 is the prediction for today. Because like I said, I don't know where this is gonna go. This isn't like regular investing. You know, I can't base anything off of anything because who knows what will happen. What we got? Prediction for Nokia. That best looks promising. Good looking out. Of course, bro. Prediction for Nokia. I like this as a long-term play. I'm down big on Nokia, I think. Oh, well, no, I'm not. That option, I'm not down big. Oh, well, $150. Okay. 90% of my option. But I do plan on buying shares of Nokia just naturally because I just think they're a really good long-term play out of all these different plays that's going on right now. I think Nokia is probably the best one to buy. So if you want to get in on Nokia, try to hop in on some Nokia, get some Nokia shares. It's not expensive. You can see that. It's definitely not expensive. Yeah, I think Nokia is pretty solid. They have 5G. They're doing a lot with 5G. They are getting government contracts. They got a contract with T-Mobile and some other things. So we'll see what happens in the future with Nokia, but I'm definitely want to get some shares of that. What do you think about Dodge? Yeah, I talked about Dodge earlier. What's up? I have Dodge. Look, Dodge. I don't have no issue with Dodge. I like it. You know what I'm saying? That's it. My friend told me to hop in once the website loads. Jesus, Robinhood. My friend told me to hop in on Dodge like 2 weeks ago. Once it's not popping up. Hopping like 2 weeks ago, I bought some Dodge. I got in a little bit under a penny, and I averaged up a little bit, so it's about a penny right now of my average cost. I have about 14,000 Dodge, currently up 253%, $420. Good stuff there. I like it. I can see Dodge going to I want to see Dodge going to $1. I just don't want to, like just hype it up like that. But I can see it happening. And the thing is, like with Dodge, like just toss $100 at it, or toss $10 at it, or whatever. Or I've seen a person toss $1 at it and they made $14 off of it. Like what, So I mean, just toss a little bit of money at it. I think you should always invest in just a little bit of crypto. You don't have to do it on Robinhood because I don't think it's the best place to do it. But yeah, if you can make money like this, like I put $150 in Dodge from the jump, or about 120, I think. And look, like you can see it firsthand. You can see it right here. I'm up $400 off of something I put $100 in. Like I'll take it. It's not a bad investment, I could sell it all right now. I'm not, but it is what it is. NNDM, I missed out on SNDL and NNDM. They're both, I think. Let me just pull them up. Sundial Growers. Yeah, that's what it was. This is I think it'll pop off. I've heard really good stuff about this. Sundial Growers. I think it'll pop off. I'm not too aware of everything they do, but this could be a good long-term investment for sure. NNDM. I think NNDM is a true long-term investment though. Nano Dimension currently down today as well, a little bit, not really that much. But yeah, I think this is a great long-term investment. All these like little industrial companies, chip makers and stuff like that, even the cannabis industry. I mean, it's so many different industries that are just popping off right now. It's a lot of things that you can get in on and just make money off of. And like you don't have to like hop in on AMC, GameStop. Obviously, these are trends right now. This is cool. But like I said before, if you want to get into crypto, look at Block. Like you can look at Block and you can get yourself an ETF that basically covers all the different crypto stocks like Riot, like MSTR, and you can just ride it. You can see. Let's look at the long chart. That's a year, 100% past year. Good stuff there. Or if you want to just take it easy, you can hop in and get you some ARK. ARK covers a whole bunch of different things. They got Tesla in there. They got can't remember the other ones, but they have a whole bunch of different stocks in there. ARK up 165% over the past year. So you can hop in on a whole bunch of different things, ride them up. I'm actually gonna go. Let me do my total return here on all these different stocks that I have, my regular stocks. Yeah, I see your Lil Yachty tweeted about buy Dodge last night. A whole bunch of people telling to buy Dodge, So need that water, bro. Like I said, this is the first time live streaming. 28 viewers. Thank you very much for being here. Don't want to lose my voice. Yeah, so you can see all this is total gain. Oh, total return, same thing. On all of these are my regular stocks. So we got Nintendo. Obviously, I'm a pretty big Nintendo fan, so invested in that pretty heavy. Let me go down some big gains. I actually got Boeing. So Boeing was a nice investment. I think it's actually a good buy zone right now too. But Boeing was a super nice investment when the market crashed last year. I got Boeing at $99 a share. Only bought 5 shares. Only 5 shares because it's expensive. That's $500 right there. But I mean, bro, like this was a $400 stock before everything happened. Like, let's be real. Let's see, like chilling up here at 350, and it took a mean dip. I mean, that's insane. So just think if my whole portfolio was Boeing, like what? That's a nice return. So Boeing, why is it doing this? Okay. What else? What else to look at though? Obviously, I love Apple. I love investing in Apple. IDEX is blowing up. Let me check it out. And I'm losing big on ASRT. I don't know what that is. Let me check IDEX real quick. Let's see what we got. So we're up 6% today. I know IDEX is definitely another one of those. 614% past year. Fantastic. Honestly, all the penny stocks, I don't know if you guys were in penny stocks last year, but all the penny stocks that people were popping off around March, April, maybe, really just February, March of last year, they all like stalled, after the whole crash and everything. They all like stalled, stayed around like 40 cents, something like this, just like IDEX did. And then, I mean, they just took off, like all of them just took off January, February of this year. So if you have any of them, I mean, you made out good. I remember my friend, I know he had his Robinhood account like 2 years now. He bought all penny stocks last year when we were like doing the whole penny craze and stuff like that. I don't really do it anymore, but he bought a whole bunch. He checked it. He hasn't checked his account in ages. He goes and checks his account last month, and man's was up like $7,000. He didn't even know. So penny stocks, hey, I don't really recommend you invest in them unless you really, really, really like the company or you just really, really, really want to get in on it. But crazy stuff, bruh. Crazy stuff. What we got? BGS. I'm pretty big on BGS. I think that actually, I'm trying to resist the urge to troll this stream. Hey, I'm dead. See, my friend's trying to come in here and troll the stream, bro. See, this is what I'm talking about, bro. That's why I can't. She's gonna say some nonsense. Yeah, clowns. Hold on. See, this is why you can't have friends. They come in here and troll the stream, bro. They better not come in here. Either way, they getting blocked. What else do you guys want to see? What we got here? So let me go back to the live. Are we live? Yeah. Okay. ASRT. Let me look at ASRT. I never heard of that before. Certio? Okay. Another pharmaceutical. These pharmaceutical companies, another thing. With pharmaceutical companies, they pop off like instantly. Just randomly. It might not even be news and they'll pop off. So be on the lookout for those. I mean, all these little penny stocks, like I said before, they're great to hop into. I think Webull is honestly a great platform to get in on these penny stocks and stuff like that. They're down past week, past month up 55%, past year. Ooh, a little rough on the past year. But yeah, I'm not sure about I never heard of ASRT, so definitely have to check that one out as well. It's so many. Thank you for all the all the different looks. I mean, I'm gonna have to have to do some research. That's all it comes down to. Just doing some research, taking some time, investing when you can invest. Goes like that. We're back up to 33 viewers. Thank you very much. Am I staying on Robinhood? I talked about this earlier, but yeah, I gotta clear the whole room, get the room together. Basically, we're talking about AMC, GameStop, everything here, personal finance, stock market, all that kind of good stuff right here on this stream. Either way, am I leaving Robinhood? I did make a video talking about leaving Robinhood. I do plan to leave Robinhood. Do I know when? No, because the main reason I'm not leaving Robinhood just yet is because of my YouTube channel. That you guys should definitely check out. Make sure you hit a like on this stream so we can get even more people in here. But the main reason I haven't left Robinhood or anything like that is because my YouTube channel. So like I like presenting everything, and the way Robinhood has the app set up is really easy for me to present everything. So that's why I'm a little reluctant to leave. I do plan on leaving. I just had to find the right app for me. So if you guys have recommendations, definitely drop it down in the chat. And I see everything going on right here. VXRT up 30%. A short squeeze. Reddit Mania. Target VXRT. Look at Target VXRT. I believe I heard about this yesterday. Once it loads, because this website is just oof. There we go. There we go. Yeah. There we go. Something's popping off today. Yeah, that's what I like to see. It's already $15 though, but you know, I caught this one. It's like I'm pretty sure it wasn't that bad. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So about a year ago, it was pretty low. DXRT was a clinical stage biotech. Oh, I'm telling you, these pharmaceuticals, biotech companies, yo, these are the ones. At least for right now, with everything going on outside, these are the ones. So if you can get in on some of these before they pop, easy money, easy money. It's funny because since I mentioned that, I actually gonna show you guys. I had this one stock, Novavax. I had about 40, maybe 50 shares of this stock for, I mean, years ago, maybe like 3-4 years ago. Honestly, I just bought it because the name was cool. This was before I knew anything about investing, like anything. I just bought it because the name was cool, literally because it had Nova in the name. How dumb. Either way, I ended up selling it for like a $40 loss at one point in time, and look at it now, $271 a share, up 23% today. This thing's flying today, by the way. Yeah, what? Come on. Disappointing. It is what it is. It is what it is. I don't know what to tell you. Let me check out. Let me share the stream to more people real quick. Hold on. Post this on my Twitter. You guys don't follow me on Twitter. It's at, what is it at? Because I'm trying to get it. I'm trying to get the DollarMike Twitter thing. But if you guys don't follow me on Twitter, if you guys want to send some links to me and stuff like that on my Twitter, it's at truly_Michael. I'll just have it right here. Actually, I can just pop it up. And here's my profile. Doesn't that make that easy instead of me just trying to tell you on stream? There you go. There it is. Bam. So let me go ahead and pop this. We live stream. I'm about to do a quick post on Twitter. Let's do that real quick. We live. And do a link. How's everyone's day today? Let me know down in the comment section in the chat. Is everyone else off work today, or like do you guys normally work from home, or what's up? What's the vibes, you know? Let's see. Let me share this. Share my stream. Hold on. Cool. Almost got you. I'm coming right back to you guys. I just wanted to post this real quick. All right, bet. Go out and retweet that. You know, let everybody know we're live right now. Either way, what's going on? What's going on with this market? AMC is still going down. Tragic. It's tanking hard. Oh, well, we gotta wait for the update. I forgot. This thing's so slow. There we go. All right, 1382. Yeah, AMC it's not looking good today. GameStop, same thing's going. We'll see what happens throughout the rest of this week. But let me go back to the chat just in case I missed something. Live chat. Yeah, working from home today. Okay, cool stuff. Bet. Let's see. We got, well, how many people we got in here? We got 28 people in here. That's what I'm talking about. This is solid stuff. I'm not mad at this at all. How often you buy, how much you put in weekly. So, do you mean when you say how often do I buy, you mean like just particular stocks in general? Every single week I put in $110 into Robinhood every single week, plus my recurring investments. So I have recurring investments in Microsoft, I believe. Do I have recurring investments? Don't remember. Maybe it's not Microsoft. Okay, maybe it's not Microsoft. I definitely have it set up in Apple, Tesla, Disney. Let me see if it pops up. There we go. Yeah, so recurring investments in Microsoft, Apple, Disney, Tesla, all that kind of good stuff. You're off today. Good stuff there. That's what I like to see. So I'm basically off too. You know, I wasn't supposed to be, but the snow is, I don't know what's going on with this snow. I don't know if it's really snowing or not because there's nothing outside, so I'm a little confused on that front. But maybe it'll snow, pick up snow later on. I'm in Maryland, so we're supposed to get like 6 to 12 inches today. So yeah, but yeah, currently recurring investments. So basically my recurring investments, I got those, and then I got my $110 every single week. I tried this dollar cost average everything, you know, average down on all my regular stocks. This is not something normal. All these different options and stuff, it's not normal for me. I do like to play options and stuff like that, but I might have like 2 to 3 max. Like I'm not in the position to play this many options, you know. Normally, I don't really do that. Why is it not? See, why does it do that? I don't understand. Like this app, I'm telling you, this website, I hate it. Like I do not like it. Oh my god, but the app is great. Either way, it is what it is. Going over to Webull. Looks like I'm down on AMC now, $50. It's gonna go back and forth, bro. We have to just wait this out and see what's going on. Especially with these limited buys and everything, you can't really do anything. Like, this is annoying. Let's see what else we got. What do you think about setting up a stop? I like it. I never made a video about that. I did plan on making a video about that, but as far as setting up stop losses and all that kind of stuff, or trailing stop losses, all that kind of stuff, yeah, do it. I think it's smart. I mean, everybody's gonna say, like, don't sell, but bro, you got to be realistic. Like, some people really do need this money, even though you shouldn't bet what you need. But some people do need their money, so like, you gotta sell eventually. I would hold out for today. I would hold out until like Wednesday, like I mentioned before. If it's not popping off by then we'll see. I'll have to reevaluate everything. These limited buys are phony. Exactly, like the limited buys, killing us. They're killing us. That's why the stock's going down. We can't do anything about this. Anyone watching Neo? I have like a couple. I have like a share of Neo. I do plan on buying more. What is it, up today? Down today? I think. Oh, this is a great. Just saying, this is a great. How much money do I have? Let's buy a share of Neo. Let's do that, because this is a great price to buy it at. So let's do shares. Let's buy one share. Review order. This is a great price to buy Neo at. I personally think. I think Neo next year probably be $100 a share. So let's buy a share of Neo. I hope that's my password. I don't want to show you guys. Oh my gosh, y'all doing the most. I'm not doing the most. Okay, I'll just buy it on my phone because like they're asking for too much. Gosh, because I don't want to put this in and then like you guys see it. So I'm gonna buy a share of Neo on my phone real quick and then we'll cut. Cause like what the heck. All right, I'm gonna buy it now. Refresh the page and you guys will know I got a share of Neo. They're doing way too much. So let's go with Neo. Why? It's even slow on my phone. That's how you know that a lot of people are on this app right now. One share, buy. All right, we got it. All right, let's go back here. Should be updated now. And it's not. Let me refresh the page. Now do it. And okay. Well, do I not have 2 shares of Neo? Bro, I'm telling you. No, it's reloading now. So I think I'll have it now. Whatever. Either way, yeah, I think Neo, this is a great buy zone for Neo. Whenever Robinhood decides to load it back up, yeah. Oof. It's not too bad today, honestly. I thought I'd be down a little bit more than this. Come on, bruh. This thing is chugging. What? They didn't log me out? What? Bro, stop the cap. Oh, okay, fine. I guess, because it's like, you guys just gonna have to deal with it. Oh well. Is that the right? Let me see if that's the right thing. I don't even know if that's it. You guys just gonna have to see it. Oh well. It doesn't matter. I have it. Doesn't matter. So it changes every time. You can't log into my account. You don't know my password. Whatever. We'll deal with it. Okay. So now I have 2 shares in Neo. Don't know what was up with that, but we're good on that front. Try to log me out. Like what? Let me go back to this chat and see what's going on. My son is 18. I want him to start investing in the market. What do you recommend? Just regarding educating himself just to get started. Do you offer one-on-one training? That's something I do want to get into is one-on-one training. I don't currently offer one-on-one training, but I would say try to I would say like invest in your interests. So if you're like big into gaming and stuff like that, maybe put a little bit into like a gaming ETF. You can do. I think Game is actually what's it called? It's not called Game. It's called Hero. So if you're big into gaming like that, you might want to jump into a gaming ETF, something like this. So this basically covers the whole gaming market and stuff like that. So esports and video games. So instead of you investing into just Nintendo or just Sony or just Microsoft, which is Xbox, you can just put your money in here, and if those go up, you won't be able to get as much of a gain, but you'll basically cover the entire index or the entire market as far as gaming goes or whatever. So I always recommend investing what you like, what you understand, what you know, products you use, stuff like that. And then it's you can branch it off and go and do other things like what people might recommend on YouTube, like myself. I would say always do your own research when it comes to that, because you shouldn't just blindly invest in something. But as far as this whole AMC GameStop situation goes, that's completely different. Let's see. You should buy IDEX. Yeah, somebody else mentioned IDEX on here, bro. I might have to check it. I'm gonna have to check it out. What's it? Medical monitor works to unveil some new vehicles in coming months. Stock is going to skyrocket. What is that right now? You know what? Let's just buy a couple shares. What's it gonna hurt? Just buy 10 shares. Do I have to do the whole thing again? No, I don't. Okay. All right, cool. We got 10 shares of IDEX. Let's get it. I've heard great things about IDEX. I wanted, well, whatever it updates. Like, I don't know what's up with this platform. Once it actually updates or whatever, what was I about to say? Yeah, I heard great things about IDEX or whatever. It's just not updating. Sorry about that. I don't know what's going on with this website. But yeah, I heard great things about IDEX. Definitely wanted to invest in it a while ago. There we go. It just popped up. And we'll see what happens. We'll see. We'll run with it. I'll do more research. I only dropped $40 in there, but I'll do more research on it myself and see if it's really something I want to hold long term or whatever. But I'm hearing nothing but great things about IDEX. So if you guys want to jump into it or let me know more about it, then drop it in the chat. Thank you. By the way, Patrick, thank you. What else we got going on here? Okay. Just waiting for the stream to update. Is it lagging? Is the stream lagging or? Okay, it's not lagging. I thought it was. Let me know how the stream is. Like, let me know how the quality is. If it's good, I might have to change some settings for future streams. Let me know how the audio is. If that's good, I heard I got some comments saying that you guys can only hear me out of one ear, so that would be nice to know and nice to fix coming, going forward with streams and stuff like that. So let me know. I'll have to take those down. I don't need that in here. That's in the way. What is AMC looking like on the share price? Look like we got a little bit of a recovery on AMC. Nothing crazy. It's good. Cool. A little bit of recovery. $50. It's basically just still the same. It's holding around that point. So that's cool stuff there. And this is just chugging. So we're just gonna close that. Open this. Get this out of here. No, this is Twitter. Stock Twits is just losing it. Close that. I think it's this website. It's probably Stock Twits, to be honest. That's just making everything chug. Perfect on your end. Fantastic. Robinhood CEO should not limit shares. The hedge fund suits want Robinhood to go down, putting pressure to limit shares. Robinhood made a mistake. They should all allow buying and selling. They should, 100%. Oh, it is this. Okay, let's exit. Let's close this webpage. This is like killing my. That's crazy though. There's no way. There's no way it's really like making it chug like that. I'm just looking at some stats, bro, because like maybe Stock Twist was just like making everything run slow. But yeah, I agree. Tech Lover 231, I agree 100%. They should open it up freely. Everybody should be able to do whatever they want because it's their money. You got to remember that. We're investing. I understand it's free now, but we're investing, our money. So like, why can't we trade freely anytime we want? Other platforms let us do it. So what's up with Robinhood? What's going on? Either way, we talked about that in the previous video that I just made on the channel, and we also mentioned it a little bit on stream. But if you're just tuning in, because it looks like we're going up and down in viewers, we look like we're up to 35, down to 29, back up. You're just tuning in. I'm basically just doing a live stream talking about AMC, GameStop, whatever other stocks you guys want to mention to me. We can go look at those, do a little bit. Personal finance. So if you're interested in any of that, credit cards, credit, budgeting, money in general, you can talk about anything really. It's okay. I mean, it doesn't matter. Just toss it down in the comment section. How you guys doing today? Let me know down in the chat. I keep saying comments, the chat, because all this is live. So the chat. Let me know. Bro, like Twitter, by the way, I still think I'm just on Twitter right now. Twitter is just hilarious. I don't even want to scroll down. This is hilarious, by the way. Remember those fryers? I don't want to scroll down because Twitter is just ruthless with like the stuff that you can see on there. And that's how I can get an instant ban off the jump. So let me actually go back to my homepage because I'm wilding out. How do you get back to Twitter? There we go. Because I don't want to see I don't want you guys to see anything, and I'm just like, boom, you're banned. Like, off the first stream, banned. Buy some SNDL. I want to do more research on SNDL before I buy it. You ever look at ZOM? Yeah, I looked at ZOM. Definitely. I looked at it. I don't personally have any. I don't know why I'm looking over there. I don't personally have any ZOM or SNDL. I'm going to do more research on both of those and then go from there. But if you guys want to look at this, it's some websites I wanted to show you guys too. Like I already showed you guys the dividend tracking website. So if you want to check that out, I haven't tried TD Ameritrade. I do want to. I'm gonna look into TD Ameritrade. The only problem with TD Ameritrade, I don't know how their. Do you like their app, like their mobile app? Because I trade on my phone mostly. I mean I have the website and stuff like for Robinhood and the desktop app for Webull and stuff, but I mainly trade on my phone, so I'm not really sitting in front of a computer like this to go and trade. Hey, I appreciate it, bro. Hold the line. Hold the line. I appreciate it, bro. Yeah, $5. Thank you, bro. Hold the line. But yeah, what was I about to say? Dang, you made me lose track of thought. Oh, I want to show you guys some apps. So basically, I have track your dividends. Basically, if you guys don't know what it is, it allows you to track all your dividends for all of your stocks and whatnot. So get the money up. Long term investing, all that kind of good stuff. And if you go look at Stock Invest, let's open that one up. I just want to show you guys real quick, like some of these websites. If you don't know these websites, I'm just, giving out some free stuff. So stockinvest.us. You guys want to go and type something in. So let's say somebody mentioned, who mentioned Patrick, you mentioned ZOM. So let's go and type in ZOM, and then we'll type in build cabins. We'll do SNDL next. So let's do ZOM. And basically with this website, it's going to give you a solid, like a buy rating. You don't have to completely follow that. But it's going to give you like a buy rating, like charts. It's going to get, a whole bunch of stuff, like signals and all kind of stuff for whatever. Is this for ZOM still? A forecast for the actual stock. If you're into all this stuff, like I'm really like in not the beginning stages of investing, but this is what it would look like if some of it's paid, some of it's free. This would look like if you had like the free, the paid service. But if you're into all this stuff and you get a lot of stats and stuff and you're just deep into it, bro, this is a great app. Great website. And it's free for the most part for like some of the basic stuff, and then paid for the other stuff, like that. But just stockinvest.us. How long have I really been investing? It's been about a year now. So like full time, like of course I have my Acorns account. I've had my Acorns account for like 4 or 5 years now. But like really like trading, like full blown trading, like on Robinhood, like every day or every other day, because I open this app every day now. About a year. So we've made solid gains. I'll show you my portfolio in a second. Let's go over type in SNDL from, who mentioned that? Build cabins. Thank you very much for that. Let's see, SNDL. Same thing goes, like it just shows you all this different information. You can do whatever you want to do if it's high volatility, saying, obviously it's a penny stocks and stuff like that. So that makes perfect sense. Whole bunch of stuff, like, just information that you might use to help yourself invest even more, basically, or better, anything like that. Go over to Chartmill. I don't know if you guys have heard of Chartmill. Same thing kind of goes here, just more information. So let's type in ZOM here. This is chartmill.com. And you can see all this good stuff. You can see the profile of the stock. You can see the stock chart, the technical analysis. I do not believe this is there. You have to pay for the technical analysis. Good stuff there. Short ladder attack on AMC breaking down. Okay. I'm going to come back to that in a second. Ownership. So you can actually see if like who actually owns the stock. So you can see for ZOM in particular, 90% of the public has it. Roughly 5% institutional investors and another 4% in insider traders. And you can also go here and see the top institutional investors. And one of the top institutional investors for ZOM is Vanguard. So that's not too bad. In Citadel, bro, we don't like Citadel, but Vanguard, that's not bad considering Vanguard is dropping what was that, $10 million? Yeah, $10 million into ZOM. It's not bad. It's just nice information. It's all free, not all free, but a lot of the stuff on these websites are free, but they do have paid services which provide you even more information if you want to check that out. So let me go over to my my portfolio overall, and I can just show you that in a second. Let me see what else these comments talking about. A lot of money and an investment. Love to get there someday. How long you been? Yeah. So yeah, I've been investing for a year. I'm actually going my portfolio right now. So let's just do all time. So I had my Robinhood account for some time. You can see since January 2018. That's how long I've had it. Can you guys hear that? What is that? A snow truck? I don't know. I hope that's not that loud, but I had the window open because like this computer gets mad hot. But yeah, so what we got? We've been trading for about a year, because if you go right here to about March 20th, that's when the whole market had crashed last year. And that's why I was like, oh, well, let me just jump in. So that's what I did, jumped in. And we've been riding gains up ever since. Took a nice little dip right here and literally been gains. And then we're at a dip right now because, I'm down on basically all these daggone options. Either way, we're gonna hit 25,000. So overall, I'm up what 47% right now, $7,484. It's been a year. I'm not mad at it. I just got into options like the end of last year, so that's kind of what pumped me another 5,000, and then I'm down like another 1,000 right now, basically off these options from AMC, Express, all that kind of good stuff. So we're in it together, bro. I'm trying to tell you guys, we're in it together. Let me see. Zom is releasing their newest product next month, so from what I can read, it can get deadly disease. Oh, okay. See, bro, that's what I'm talking about. I like what I hear on Zom for sure. I think my friend actually has a lot of it. I'm definitely gonna have to I might have to jump in on that. Let's see. Anything else today? Anything else you guys want to talk about today? We got what 24 people in here, living their best life. Hope you guys are all off work, not doing too much. We're live right here, so like nice little thumbnail. Who made that? Oh, did I make that? Yeah. So yeah, I don't know why it's not showing up here. I think it's supposed to, but whatever. Either way, I'm live, so hey, it is what it is. Oh yeah, I can go on Wall Street Bets. Sometimes it's a little ruthless on there, so I don't want to hop on there and see some crazy stuff. But Reddit. Well, let me just Wall Street Bets. Type in what one finger. Here we go. We can hop on some Wall Street Bets Reddit right now. Close this. So let's see. I don't want to scroll because like Reddit sometimes has some questionable things, and I don't want to scroll and get banned, bro. Like, not trying to get banned. Yeah, you can do options video. I want to learn. Yeah, I already have an options video on the channel actually. It's pretty beginner, but I'm a pretty beginner person at options. I know the general aspect of it. I've made money from options a decent amount, a little bit over $6,000, $7,000 now. So decent amount of money from options now. So I've also lost money from options, as you can see right here. Scroll up and boom, lost money on options as well. So it's not always a winning game. You get in, you get it out, you do what you gotta do. But Reddit, what we got here? What's hot post? So we're gonna do the hot post. It was already on that. I don't know why I clicked it again. So game discussion thread. What we got here? Do not sell game. Let's see. Do not sell. Let's type in AMC because that's what I'm in. Oh, not create post. How you search? I haven't used Reddit that long. Okay, can I search like through here? Wow, I feel like that's so loud for you guys. Maybe it's not. All right, let's see. Don't lose faith. All right, when was this posted? All right, this is 4 days ago, 5 days ago, 2 days ago. Every vote up count. Let's see what we got. It's just a whole bunch of, okay. Yeah, I'm not 100% sure how to use this daggone platform. I use Reddit on my phone. I use everything on my phone, actually, so that's kind of how everything is laid out, how everything goes for me. But we holding. I'm not selling anything. You know what I'm saying? Not selling anything. I'm not sure if I'm buying any more at the time, but I'm not selling anything. I'm not down that much today. Only 189. That's not bad. But to be fair, most of my portfolio is actually up today. Let's change this. Actually, let's change it to today's return. It's actually Nintendo gave me some money today. Okay. I'll take that. Yeah, that was I was looking at that was 4 days ago. So I gotta find some new stuff. Hold on, where's Wall Street at? Oh, there we go. Let me go back. Let's do new. Let's just see what people are talking about right now. Just now, buy GameStop stocks instead of YOLO on game weekly calls. No one's even commented on that yet. I'm not selling. See, that's why I like the hot, but I just need the hot. Can you do like let's do rising. Here we go. Let's do rising. 31 minutes ago. All right, this one got 400 comments. Don't panic. Look at the volume. Nobody is selling. This is another attack. Yeah, I mean, are you guys selling? I mean, because no one's selling and the stock price is going down. Man's not wrong. Just saying. Let's see. Holding diamond hands. Buying. Close. Snatched up 30. Okay. At 215. Snatched up 30 shares at 215. Oh, yeah, you... Okay. I mean, like I said, like I have no issue with GameStop and stuff like that and that front of things, but I don't really want to buy shares of GameStop that high because I know the price of GameStop is not that price. So it's like Nah, I get the calls. I'll buy a call or something. I'm not buying the shares though, bro. I buy shares of AMC. I'm not buying the shares of GameStop that high. It's just that simple for me. He says third day in a row and throw the damn penalty flag. Worst refs ever. I'm dead. Wall Street Bets is crazy. It's crazy. So honestly, Reddit's a crazy place, but it's helped me out a lot actually. So as far as like just general stuff, general questions, if you go on Reddit, I don't know if you guys ever used Reddit before. Go on there. I mean, type in a topic, somebody's talking about it, and it's probably a lot about it as well. The options thing is a bit confusing. Yeah, so basically with the options, Denise, basically with the options, Denise, yeah, I'm essentially for my options, I'm basically betting that the stock price of all of these, because they're all calls, basically betting that the stock price of all of these would go up. So right now I'm currently like down on all of them, as you can see, and except for Walgreens, because I got Walgreens not too long ago, a $45 call for it. That's basically my strike price. So as long as it gets over that $45, if I wanted to actually exercise that option to actually get shares, I can do that, because when you get an option, you're essentially just renting. I look at it as like renting. You're essentially renting 100 shares of whatever option you decide to go and get. So I have one contract for Walgreens. So I'm essentially renting 100 shares of Walgreens, betting that the stock price of Walgreens will be above $45 by this date. So by January 21st of next year, I'm betting that the stock price will be above $45. And if it is, which it is right now, I can exercise that. I'm not going to do it, but I can exercise that and essentially get Walgreens, 100 shares of Walgreens for that price if I have the money to buy 100 shares of Walgreens at that price. So that's kind of what it is. I don't usually exercise because when you exercise, you literally have to go and buy the 100 shares. And if you don't have the money, then you're not buying it. It's just that simple. You're not exercising. But all this right here is still gains. Like I could sell this right now. This 400 right now, that's gains. That's 81% in gains. I don't plan to sell it right now, so I'm not going to. But yeah, it's not too terrible of a concept. But all in all, you're just betting that the stock price will go up with a call, and if you're doing a put, you're betting that the stock price will go down. That's simple. Yeah, watch what you say. You talking about Reddit? 5 Cent Wealth. You talking about Reddit? Watch what you say on there. Yeah, you gotta do that for your own time. Yeah, yeah. I don't know if you guys are talking about Reddit or Twitter. Like you gotta watch it. I'm not trying to get banned. Bro, what's up with these trucks? Like all these trucks coming through the neighborhood and they're not a snow plow or whatever. And it's like what? So yeah. Thanks, yeah. I copied one of your options call. Show you last week. Okay, I think it was Nokia. Yeah, yeah. I hope you got a long term call on Nokia. I should have got a long term call on Nokia because I really do believe in Nokia as a company. Like I said, the whole 5G thing, all that kind of stuff. I really do believe in them. I'm gonna get some shares. Um, but yeah, if you got like a one that's like really far out, then that's pretty good. It's funny enough because I had options on Nokia. Like I don't even know why I bought that one. I shouldn't even have bought that. I had options on Nokia for like a $2 call or whatever, something like that. And I sold them because I was up so much. I was like, all right, well I can go ahead and sell it. You know, I made a good amount of money, like $250 off of like $40. So good money. But I went ahead and sold them because I was so far up. And then all this happened. I'm like, bro, I could have made like bank. Because I think Nokia at one point went up to like $8. I think last week, maybe the last Wednesday, went up to like $8 a share. I could have sold it and made even more bank. But look, it is what it is. Like you gotta take the gains where you can get the gains. Either way, I've made money from Nokia. As you can see, I've lost money from Nokia. It is what it is. Make good plays and you make bad plays. It is what it is. You gotta live your life. Use a tablet about the phone. Yeah. Let me say yes. Me and Denise need you to do a live options video one day. All right, I can do that. I can definitely do a live option. Let me get a. I don't have no pen and paper. Oh, I'm good. I'll put it in my phone. I'll definitely do a live options video. It's not a problem. Nah, yeah, AMC want to at least 25 or more. Yeah, I want 25 from AMC at least. I mean, if we can get that today, that'd be nice. Yeah, it'd be nice to get that today from AMC. We're looking at what are we at 10, 11 o'clock right now, 11 a.m. It might dip a little bit more before lunch, and then go back up maybe around 1:30. That's typically how a lot of these stocks go, but considering this isn't a typical event, I don't think it'll happen. So we'll see what happens. Be nice to see though. Let's see. I'm off. You guys got, what's it called? Anything else? Anything else? I didn't plan on live streaming all day today. I do want to see, I want to see if I can get on, I don't know if you guys know who Brandon Jung, I'm not Brandon, Brian Jung is. If I can get on his live stream, bro, like I would just love to talk on his live stream. So might have to reach out to him on YouTube. He just hit like 200,000 subs. He does credit card videos. I'm trying to hop on his live stream. That'd be crazy. So yeah, we'll see what happens. I don't plan on live streaming all day though. I might hop off here. I might hop back on later. I mean, would you guys want to see a live stream later on today, or maybe tomorrow late, or whatever? You know, let me know down in the comments. I keep saying comments. Let me know down in the chat what's going on with that. You know, if you guys are interested. Yo, have you watched Death Note? It's an awesome anime. I've been watching it. I haven't. All my friends are huge in anime. I do know. I know it's fire. I know it's fire. It's just I know it's fire. I have to check it out. The thing is, like, if we talking about shows, like, I like watching movies, bro. Like, because the thing is with shows, like, I have the patience to sit down and watch the show, yes, but I don't want to sit down and watch the show. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't want to sit there for like hours, like, dang, and then there's a cliffhanger at the end of the episode, and I'm like, oh, I gotta watch another one. Like, that's why I like watching movies. You get everything right then and there, and that's it. I'm actually going back to watch all the Star Wars movies right now. I'm actually done, basically. I got one more. I just got episode 3. Probably finish that today, maybe tomorrow. But yeah, all Star Wars movie, and I never watched any of the Clone Wars TV series, so I'm gonna have to get into that too. But we'll see what's up. What's your top movie right now? My top movie, like my favorite, so big Inception fan. I love Inception. I know that's I feel like that's kind of cliche now. I feel like people just say, "Oh, Inception," you know what I'm saying? But no, I love Inception. A lot of people hate Ready Player One. I really did love that. I really did like that movie. Overall, I know the book is better. I don't know if you guys read Ready Player One or Ready Player Two, the books, but I read Ready Player Two, but I haven't read Ready Player One, the book. I only saw the Ready Player One movie, so really like Ready Player One. But I watch tons of different movies, bro. They would ban you. Yes, they would ban you. Okay, yeah, they definitely gonna ban me for wilding out on Twitter or on Reddit, bro. I gotta get, yeah, can't get hit with that. What do you think of CCL? Is that chlorine? Clorox? Oh, it's it's Carnival. Chlorine? Chlorine? No, it's Carnival Cruise. Yeah, I had an option on Carnival actually last year. I made like $150 off of it. Bro, I can't. I really said chlorine, Clorox, like what? Yeah, Carnival Cruise. I think it'll pop off. You just gotta wait till the whole health crisis outside is over with. But yeah, I think it'll pop off in due time. So not a problem with that. I don't have a position in on it. But yeah, I'm not a big cruise fan either. Never even been on a cruise. So maybe that'll change if I get on a cruise. But overall, I think this is definitely a good recovery play for the market. So maybe a year from now or even late this year, this could go back up to pre. Don't want to say the word on here because I don't want the whole demonetized thing to happen. Pre-health crisis levels of $40 maybe. What's this 5-year chart looking like? We'll see. There's a couple of other what is it? Cruise line stocks. Clorox, like that's what I'm saying, bro. Like I don't know. Clorox. I can't. Snowfall rocks. Looking forward to season 4. What's Snowfall? Let me see. Don't want to Google anything wild. Oh, I said Snowball. Is that an anime? Oh, it's not an anime. Okay. Is this it? Is this Snowfall? Oh, I think this is. I'm pretty sure this is what you're talking about. I gotta check this out. What is this on? This is on it says FX. Is this on like a streaming platform though? Like I mean, I know I don't really get on like watch TV too often. Bro. Yeah, let me know what platform this is on. I can watch it. Don't calm down on Reddit. That's that. Yeah, FX. Is that like the only platform though? Like can I watch it on like I don't know, who owns FX? Who owns that? Does AT&T own them or something? Johnson. Oh, Hulu. Okay. I can watch it on Hulu. Unless that's something different. Okay. Yeah, I'll watch it on Hulu then. Cool, I got a Hulu, so yeah, that works. Let's see where we're at. Let's see where we're at. Oh, I put Mac. Come on now. Okay, looks like we're headed back up. We'll see what's going on with that. Headed back up. Whoa, so we got over here. AMC, I'm in the positive again. I'm in the green. I was down like $50. Can you do a video explaining the buy and sell call and put aspect on Robinhood? Is confusing me. I already have a video on it. I can make another video for options, but I already have a video on it as well. But yeah, I can make another video. Not a problem. AMC with the comeback. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. AMC with the comeback. Where we at? There we go. That's what we need. That juice. I just need Robinhood to stop playing games and just let us do us. Like, let us just buy the damn stock. God. Oh, let's do. There's no point in even looking up that. Let's see. Anything else in here? Anything else you guys want to talk about? We got 20 people in here right now. I appreciate every last one of you being in here today. I don't know how many viewers we had total today, but the fact that you guys came through, I'm not mad at it. I appreciate all of it. I know people got to do things. They're in and out. People got to do things all day, today, tomorrow. You know, we all have our own lives, you know. So it is what it is. But the fact that you can come show up, drop a like, you know, I'm not mad at it at all. 18 watching. Let's see. Got 31 likes. Thank you very much, bro. Thank you. Let me go back to the live chat real quick. Anything else popping off? Anything else? I'm probably gonna head off here. I'll probably hop off here like 11:30. I might hop back on later on today. I might hit the gym if the gym's actually open. Probably not. We'll see if I can actually. I probably can drive. It's a little rough. I don't know. I mean, it's supposed to snow. It's supposed to start snowing again at like 12, but or 11. I don't see anything. I don't even know if it's gonna actually snow or not. Yeah, opportunities outside of AMC and GameStop. I know large cap stocks like Microsoft, Tesla took a hit, et cetera, et cetera. You're absolutely right. I have Tesla. They've made me a lot of money. I'm up 94% with Tesla right now. Got in. I got 3 shares of it. My average cost $419. Good stuff there. They definitely took a hit. I should have bought more when it dropped. It probably dropped again, to be completely honest. Should have bought more when it hit under 800, which was like, what, Friday? Yeah, Friday. Should have bought more that day. I did not, but it's okay. Either way, I have a recurring buy on Tesla, $10 every single week. And as far as Microsoft, same thing goes. I don't think Microsoft dropped as much during all of this, but yeah, I don't think they really took that much of a hit. But definitely a good long-term investment, Microsoft and Tesla, personally, I believe. But you know, you do whatever you want. Either way, I only have about a share of Microsoft, so it is what it is. My friend, my dad just said he won 15 cents from Yotta last night. So if you guys don't know what Yotta is, like one of the best savings account out. If you guys want to check it out, you know, I have a link in the description of this live stream, as well as a link in the description of Yotta Savings videos. So like I said before, if you're not into all the other, you know, stock stuff, you're just here to see me or whatever like that, cool stuff, I appreciate you. But yeah, this is like the best savings account ever. You win money every single week. The more money you save, the more money you win. I'm not like sponsored by them or anything like that. I just really support them. So yeah, if you guys want to check that out, check it out. Link in the bio. And I also made tons of videos on it as well. Let's see. Had 53 shares of Tesla at 37 a couple months ago. Oh, 375. You still got them? Shoot, that's a lot of money, bro. You still got those shares? Or you sold them all? I mean, I know you sold them all for a good profit. I know you sold them all for a great profit, actually. I mean, you can't be mad at that. Yeah, sold out. Okay, good stuff though. I mean, that's profit. Can't, I mean, you know, I'm not mad at that. At 450. Bet. Wait, 450. Oh, okay. I got you. Which you sold at 450, or like you sold when the stock price at 450, or you sold like, I'm confused. I had a couple of months ago. Oh, a couple months ago. I thought you said weeks ago. I told him this small screen. I definitely need to get like a bigger screen. I think somebody mentioned that, you know, to get the chat and stuff. If I just had a second screen, I used to have 2 monitors all the time. If I just had a second screen, I would just do a pop-out chat, put it over there. But I don't have that right now. So, you know, things to look forward to in the future for future live streams and stuff like that. Got you. Bought it for, yeah. Okay, gotcha. Either way, profit is profit, bro. Can't go wrong with that. I'm just a super long on Tesla. Like, I mean, like 5-10 years long. I have sold some though. I have taken some profits from, especially when I made. Well, that's the thing. Like, if I'm super long on something like Tesla or another stock, I like to get an option on them so that way I can get the profits from the option and just keep my shares essentially. Because that way I was like, okay, well, I can make some money off of it and still keep my shares. But yeah, like I mentioned earlier, I'm still waiting for, what stock is it? Oh, I want to mention, so I'm still waiting for this to pop off at ITP. Once it hits like $1.50, definitely a good sell. They make masks and stuff like that, and with everything that's going on right now, everyone needs a mask. So that's cool. But I do want to mention, I don't know if you guys have heard of it, but I need to make a video about it. Is APXT. They're rumored to partner, this stock right here. They're rumored to partner with AvePoint, which is basically a cloud provider, a cloud service provider for Microsoft. They're already partnered with Microsoft. So if you guys want to hop in on some APXT, this is still a good buy zone. Anything in the $15 range, I think is pretty solid. I got it at $14.90. It went down to $14.90 a couple of times, honestly, because of everything that's going on right now. So if you want to hop in on some APXT, grab some. I got 140 shares. Currently up $38. Yeah, I think it's a good time to grab some. They're actually, the merger for between them and AvePoint is actually already announced. So you would just have to wait for the date. We don't know the merger date, but once they actually announce the merger date, who knows what this price will go to? Probably up to maybe like 25, maybe something like that. And I'll probably sell a little bit of it. I have 140 shares, so I'll probably sell maybe half my shares or something like that. But I do plan on holding them long term as well. So we'll see what happens. But just to put it on the radar, if you guys haven't seen it, there you go, APXT. But a lot of people on YouTube have been talking about it, so I'm not sure if you've seen it or not. Yeah, I think that's kind of it. I mean, we'll see how AMC holds up for the day. GameStop, is that GameStop still going down, or did they hit the recovery play too? Let's see. GameStop's, oh, we gotta wait for the update. You know, GameStop's funny. Okay, it's good. It's just like, it's going up, you know, overall, you know, after taking that nice dip. What are your thoughts on the ETF versus individual stocks? So ETF versus individual stocks, I like both. I see the argument for both. I have ETFs and I also have individual stocks for both as well. Like, for instance, the gaming industry, I have Nintendo and Microsoft, which cover Nintendo and Xbox. And I did have a hero option, which I made some good money off of as well. I already sold that. As you can see, it's not there. But yeah, I mean, I like ETFs. The only problem I have with ETFs is you just don't make as much money. So if you're just looking at long-term investing, I would just go with ETFs, to be completely honest. Or if you want to do a one-time or like a one stock type of investment, maybe, you know, just go ahead and do that individual stock. Overall, I mean, honestly, both of them work. I feel like if you want to like dive in, here's the thing. If you want to dive in and do like, let's take solar for example. There's a whole bunch of different solar stocks. If you want to have like 4 or 5 different solar stocks in your portfolio, you might as well just get the ETF, because like you don't know which ones are gonna pop off. Sure, you only need one to really pop off, but the other ones could be going down while that one's popping off, and you would essentially lose money. So if you want to go ahead and just get an ETF on something you have a lot in, then that's what I would do personally, you know. But yeah, so I like both though overall. Yeah, Yotta, yeah, definitely check Yotta out. Yotta's cool. Definitely one. I made I can tell you actually right now how much I've made from Yotta, so, or how much I've won. So you win money every single week from Yotta just for saving money. So I haven't lost. You don't lose anything. So it's just a savings account. So you don't lose anything. Let me tell you how much I've won. And someone actually won a Tesla last week, which is pretty cool. It's the first time that's happened. Or a Tesla yesterday, not last week, but yesterday. Let me go here. I can tell you how much I've won from Yotta Savings. Wherever it is. Here we go. Okay, so since I've had my Yotta Savings account, I'm popping on screen here. Let me make sure you guys can see me. Since I've had my Yotta Savings account, I've won $106.05. See if I can focus. There we go. $106.05. So that's straight. That's just straight winning every single week. But definitely just check out the app. I make videos about it. So, ooh, are we gonna refocus? We're gonna refocus. Are we blurry or are we not blurry? Okay, there we go. Okay, yeah. So yeah, check that out. Pretty cool app. Definitely one of my like basically my main savings account. So good stuff there. Anything else? Nothing else. Nothing else is really popping, you know, right now. Let me go back and check the live chat. Yeah, looks like we're good. Looks like we're good for today. You guys, what you guys getting into today? You guys got other things planned? Stock market stuff. Are you actually buying more of your position? Maybe since it's down right now, could be a good time to buy. What's Dogecoin doing? Let's check what Dogecoin is doing. As soon as it loads up. Okay. Still holding steady on Dogecoin. I'm really surprised, to be completely honest. Like the fact that it's actually holding above a penny. I'm not mad at it at all, literally. So hopefully we can see $1 this year. That'd be pretty nice. I can't go wrong with that. Dogecoin we'll look at. So let's go here. But if you guys don't have anything else, I'm about to close the stream out for today. Unless you guys want me to stream later on, I can definitely hop back on later on, not a problem. I'm gonna close the stream out though. I'm probably gonna get a little bit of recording in, so I can have a video for you guys either tomorrow or Wednesday, talking about some options maybe. Well, a whole bunch of different. Well, you guys gave me a whole bunch of different things to talk about, so I'll have to figure out which one I'm gonna do a video on, and we'll probably just go from there. I might buy more Neo if it hits 15. If it hits 54 and if not 55. Yeah, I just bought Neo. Yeah. I'm pretty sure you've seen it, but yeah, I just bought some Neo at 56. So definitely, I think it's a good buy. Anything under 60 right now, I think for Neo is really good. Is it still dropping? Yeah. I always said 54. Oh, well, we'll see what happens. It says 54. Let me make sure it's updated. Yeah, 54. Yeah, definitely. Yeah. I think it's a good buy. But, you know, I'm just a guy on the internet. I don't know anything about investing. So, you know. Let's see. So yeah, I think that's gonna be it. If you guys don't have anything, you guys want to talk about anything like that, if you guys want me to stream later, let me know down in the comment section. Well, the comment section of this video, I guess you could do chat. Any of my other videos, hit me up on Twitter, Instagram, all that kind of good stuff. But yeah, I think that's gonna be it. So I appreciate all of you for coming out, for watching my live stream. This is the first ever live stream I've done. So looks like we're streaming for 2 hours and 13 minutes right now. Good stuff. I know you can see the inception right here. Nice stuff there as well. Yeah. So anything else, let me know on my channel. Let me know in the comments, Instagram, Twitter, all that kind of good stuff. But that's going to be it for the stream for right now. Yeah, I'm out. Thank you very much. I keep saying it, but truly, thank you so much. I'm out. DollarMike. Peace. In the stream. Now, let's see if I can actually end the stream, because who knows if I know how to do this. Like, because it says you got to end it in 2 places. So let's try to end it. Thank you. All right, see you guys. All right, take care. Thank you. I see you. ALS, Derek, 5 cent. Yo, bro. Thank you. I'm out. Peace.